Hey, what's up, everybody? We are live. Good evening. Good evening. It is Sunday night. Hopefully, you guys had a great weekend. Hey, Jonathan Stonks, thank you for the super chat. Christopher Wilson in the chat. Hey, Angia, Miss K. Good evening, everybody. How we all doing tonight? All right, let's get the show on the road. Looks like we gapped up tonight, guys. What are you thinking? We going higher? So we do have some potential resistance up there, 28,700 on the MNQs. So far, we're above previous day's point of control. We're above the overnight VWAP, although with our gap up, we're potentially going to refill that gap sometime tonight. We'll have to see. But so far, we pretty much got to be bullish. We did recently pop up, which kind of tapped our equal highs here from Friday's New York session here. If we're looking at the body of the highs on the 5-minute chart, kind of lines up almost exactly perfect from the high of this last little push here up towards the 680s. We got Ralph on the stream. We got everything starting to get going here. So good luck tonight, everybody. Hey, Chris, how you doing? Good evening, good evening. So we're hoping to hit 2,000 subscribers today, guys. So wish us luck. We have 1,973. Hopefully we'll be able to get over that threshold. Hope so, hope so. Let's see here. Raphael Cini, good evening. How are you? Looks like they're trying to pop us back up here. I'm kind of interested, maybe 28,600 area if we get a continued pullback here for a potential buy. Hey, Paul. Good evening. How are you? So I have one of these new Blue Sky accounts that I just passed. I think I passed it on Friday there. So I activated it just this evening. So we got a fresh funded 50K account with Blue Sky. Still working on the Lucid funded Flex accounts. 1,875 in one, 1,750 in the other. Take Profit Trader, 2,321 in there. I have a top one futures. Where's this eval here? Still got a little work to do on that one. Starting to pop up here a bit. How's the volume? We have decent volume here. We do have targets above 28,680. Looks like they just took it off and moved it up higher here, up to 705 for a second there. So a little bit of algo action there. Let's take a look at NQ, see what we're doing there. So 28,690, 28,695, 28,700. Interesting, guys and gals. Hey, desktop chat. I was on mobile. Hey, there you go. Yeah, there you go. I usually post a link in there so you guys can get across. So are you guys, I think most of you are already probably signed up on the Discord, but if you haven't, make sure you get in the Discord and fill out that form in the giveaway channel so you can get in on the 25K Lucid Flex account. Tonight's the night. Oops, what am I doing here? Gotta make the charts all look all nice here. There we go. What am I gonna log in on here? Which account? Let's go with Top One Futures for now. I'm not really loving the price action tonight. We finally did break out to the top side, so there's potential move to the top side. So let's see actually. Let's go with Lucid. We'll log in Lucid for now. See if we can't find a trade with our funded flex account. Let's see here. There we go. Get everything looking good. Ralph's napping over there. He's awake, but he's looking chilling. Just hanging out, you know. Another Trump pump peace talk scam caused a nice gap up. Oh, really? Is that what it is? I didn't see it. Hey, Tris. How are you doing? Tristan. Trista Dez. Oh, Tris trades. What am I doing here? I thought it was Tris. I'm like started reading that. Hey, M Brown. How you doing? Okay, so I mean, we're above the point of control, previous day's point of control. We're above the VWAP. We should be looking for longs here, but there's part of me that is thinking like this gap's going to get filled. Maybe it's going to get filled in London. So we'll have to see. I mean, we're pretty close to a potential resistance area up here in the 28,700 area. Obviously, if we get some strong closures above 728, I can see us continuing the push higher here. We do have, you know, potential draw on liquidity up there at 28,900. We got a 1 hour bearish fair value gap up there, potential draw on liquidity. So we'll just be patient here for now. We're kind of like although we're breaking out, we're kind of like at a potential resistance area. So don't necessarily know if there's enough reward available here. Now, if we get a pullback, maybe back to the VWAP around the 28,600 area, that might play out good. Let's take a look at some of these smaller time frames. Yeah, so that's still there. 2 minute. We got a little 2 minute fair value gap there, which looks like it held on this last pullback. And we got 15. Okay, this 15, 28, 629. All right. Raphael, did you change the pinned form on Discord? Because I went to fill it out in next month prize and it says you already. No, I haven't changed it yet. The reason is because this Sunday is just too close to the end of the month. So I didn't want to like change it the last second. Usually we'll do it. I'll let you guys know at the end of the Sunday. But yeah, it's still the same one. So after tonight's session, though, you'll have to head in there and fill it out again. So you're good. You are good. No problem, buddy. Ralph's getting sleepy there. So check it out, guys. I am wearing a little bit of the swag. You guys check it out. VWAP is king. And the hat. All right, let's hope we can find some good trades tonight, guys. Let's start off the month right. Don't do anything too crazy, you know, keep your size down. Let's just get like a small start going on the start of the month and just, you know, let the ball start rolling like a snowball down the mountain, you know, pile it up, get it bigger as we keep going through the month here. All right, next on the next song, here we go. Anybody take any trades this evening? I'm sure you guys have seen, but it's pretty crazy what's going on over in Spain, hey, with the Morocco and Spain situation. We got people running across the border. Sorry to hear that some people are not, they're kind of like having trouble getting across and getting, you know, injured and stuff. So prayers out that everybody either makes it, you know, hopefully nobody puts their life on the line for that kind of stuff. It's not really, not very good, you know. Although I don't agree with people crossing the border like that, I definitely don't want people to be, you know, not surviving. So, hey, Zexy, how you doing? What up? Oh, you sent something in the Discord payout channel. Whoa, dude. Nice, man. Holy smokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25K accounts. Or payouts. Nice. 22,500 this year, hey? Good for you, bro. That's killer. Whew. Steady as the tide, nothing stays forever left behind. Every move becomes another page, every lesson written with age. You can lock the door, change your name, but yesterday still remembers. Killing it, Zexy. Keep it up, bro. Keep it up. Happy to see. This July blessed me with so much. Nice, bro. Yeah. Hey, when you're on, you know? Let's take a quick look at financial juice here. Make sure we know if there's what's been happening here. Did we see anything? Let's see. U.S. and Israel are preparing to bombard energy-related targets in Iran as soon as this weekend. So oil went up. When was this? When was this? This was July 31st. Israel has been notified, coordinating with U.S. on strikes. This was July 31st. That was the end of the session, I guess, on Friday. Yeah. No wonder we turned all bearish at the end of the session here. And then what? We popped up? Dude, I just took a bad emotional trade and felt the tilt emotions I haven't felt in a long time. Locked myself out for all the evening before I could do significant damage. So frustrating. Well, hey, good job for noticing it, man, because that's half of the battle. And if you know, you don't have to get it back today. And a good way to think about it is like, when it's gone, right? So you just gotta move on and wait for your trades and just keep doing what you're doing. You've been killing it all month, so just shake it off. But I think you made the right decision there by locking it out, bro. So good for you. I mean, count that as a win, right? Because that's the hard part, right? So Tony Gold's in the house. What's up? and just hang out, FN. Maybe you're gonna be, maybe that luck will turn out in a benefit to you tonight, and you're gonna get a free 25K Lucid Flex account. So I don't see anything on Financial Juice about them not, like, them making peace here. Oh, okay, here we go. US dollar. Okay, US President Donald Trump says Iran talks to begin Monday after canceling attacks. So they canceled the attacks. Hey, Chuchamida. Sorry, if I can't say that. Chuchamida. And Zero Skills. Hey, yeah, Ralph's hanging out. He's napping right now, you know. Good evening, good evening. Am I saying that right? Chuchamida? Chuchamida. Is that right or what? Try to spell it out for me so that I can figure it out if I'm saying it right. Hey, Sinister's in the house. Good evening, good evening. Nice range we've been hanging out in. Yeah, if you like ranges, you know. So it's correct? Chuchamida? Nice. You used my code? Hey, thank you, Marty. I appreciate that. Thank you for the support. You the man. Thank you, thank you. Hey, Metalhead, what's up? Metalhead's in the house. Choo-choo, Mita. Hey, Drew69 Malibu. Everyone's here tonight, guys. Everyone's popping in here. Happy to say I took my first K6 payout today. 6K payout today. Wow. Very good, bro. That is amazing. Congratulations. It's the highest payout you've ever taken so far. Yeah, that's a big one. Which firm were you in on that one?
Promises fade like smoke in the air. Empty conversations going nowhere. I stopped carrying weight that wasn't mine. Let tomorrow draw its own straight line.
August could be one of the biggest months in the market. It all starts with ISM Manufacturing PMI on August 3rd, followed by ISM Services PMI and the U.S. jobs report. Investors will also be watching whether Senate moves forward in Crypto Clarity Act before the August recess, along with key inflation reports including PPI, UK CPI, Eurozone CPI, and the release of FOMC minutes. Later in the month, all eyes will be on the second estimate of the US GDP, the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, PCE, NVIDIA earnings, all which could move the markets and crypto. Bitcoin Asia 2026 in Hong Kong also wraps up the month with one of the biggest crypto events of the year. Thanks for sharing that on the Discord there, Angie. Angia. Just checking, are you streaming in mobile only format? No, if you see, just hit the pin comment there, and you'll be able to bring you over to the full size stream. 2 Lucid Flex 50Ks and 150K next gen. Oh, nice. So you're copy trading those, Sinister? That's awesome, bro. Yeah, I didn't even touch half my accounts. I know it's because I planned out 2 trade ideas that hit TP perfectly 2 hours ago, but couldn't be at the desk, so I felt FOMO like a noob. Oh, yes. It's, you know, that's frustrating when you do that, right? Like, you know that you had the trade planned, or maybe sometimes you'll get stopped out on the trade and then it goes to your TP. Those are probably some of the most frustrating ones, right? So I'm glad that you realized though FN trades and locked it out. Like, and you know, no need to push it today, right? No need to push it today. So I'm assuming you did take a trade after that and you ended up losing, and I'm guessing. and that's why you're like, you feel the tilt, so you're gonna like lock it out, or did you just lock it out before you took a trade? Just a quick question. Not copy trading them all separately. Okay, nice, good for you, Sinister. I mean, I like to do it that way too. I occasionally, if I'm really liking the trade, I'll do it, but you know, because I do have the traders post set up. Like for example, my Lucid accounts are copy traded on on the command pad here with traders post. You copy trade here and there. Yeah, that's the same as me. I just don't like to risk it all the time, but occasionally if the market's like looking really nice, being really clean, trending, those are the days where I'll consider copy trading, right? But
truth comes around, steady as the tide, nothing stays forever left behind. Every move becomes another page, every lesson written with age. You can lock the door, change your name, but yesterday still remembers the game. Windows down, let the cool wind speak. Found more strength inside than I would seek.
Maybe on day 1, 2, and 3. Oh, like you'll copy trade them when they're brand new accounts. Nice, yeah. You copy traded 7 accounts already, feeling FOMO but locked out 5 other accounts without a loss. Wasn't even prepared to trade. It's all good. We'll recover. Yes, good point of view there, bro. And I mean, it's awesome, man. Just take that as a win, because usually the problem is people know that they're tilting, or that they feel FOMO or they feel tilt, and they don't do anything about it. And that's the worst thing that you can do, right? So, you know, you can walk away, at least taking that as a W, right? So good for you, man. Good for you. That's what I usually say, guys. Like, if you ever think to yourself, I can't stop trading right now, that's the time when you need to stop it, right? You need to shut it down. Or if you're like, I really need to make this money back, and you've taken like 2 losses in a row, that's another good time where you need to just lock yourself out. And if you're ever talking to yourself and you're thinking in your mind like, man, I'm really feeling like FOMO here, like I'm missing out on this trade, it's going up and up, and like, again, maybe you don't have to lock yourself out, but that's an indication to not take the trade, right? A little bit of psychology there for you, you know. Play it safe. Play it safe, guys. Anytime I take a big loss or a few losses in a row, I take a walk, timeout, or whatever. Yeah, exactly. So, you know, half of the battle, like I said, guys, is just realizing when you need to like step away. And you don't, it doesn't mean you have to like, you know, not trade for a week or something, or, you know, maybe you can just wait till the next day. Maybe it means just walking away for an hour or 2, right? So just keep that in mind, right? The thing that you can find too is the longer you're sitting there looking at the charts, if you're not locked out, you might try to talk yourself into taking a trade when you really shouldn't be, right? So just keep that in mind, you know. Musashi, hey, how you doing? How's Tokyo tonight? Misty, humid at the moment. Okay. Hectron in the house. What's up? What's up, Dave? I got funded on next gen and hit 3K off my funded futures. So you taking a payout on that guy, or you're just like, you're gonna work on putting a little more in there before you take that. So congratulations on that, though. I got some good news too. I got my Blue Sky. I got my Blue Sky account funded. As you can see, it's a brand new 50K funded account. So I passed it on Friday. So we're doing good over here, everybody. We're doing good. No, 3K on my funded futures eval. Oh, nice. Okay, nice. Beautiful. The fact I knew FOMO and did it anyways, like, bro, that's how you potentially ruin a month's worth in one afternoon. Yeah, bro, I totally agree, and I know what you're talking about. But on a positive note, right? You know, you realized after, right? And you actually took action for that, right? So you got it, you know, and don't try to like get it all back, you know, on Monday or whatever. Just keep doing what you've been doing. Just hit your, you know, your base hit trades like you have been, because I see really solid consistency on those screenshots that you sent. So make sure you do that. You know, stay steady. So it looks like we had a scammer in the in the Discord, which I had to hit him with the ban hammer. What's your plan? What plan is your favorite on Blue Sky? So far I only have the Jonathan, another super chat, bro. Thank you, man. This guy, second super chat of the night. Thank you for that. Always blessing the channel like a maniac. So I used a launch, but what is it? The other one is called the Orbit, right? Let me see here. I didn't really know the difference, to be honest. To be honest, I won this account. I won this launch account from a giveaway. And Orbit, what's the Orbit? No consistency in the eval. 2,000 end of day drawdown. Funded is 2,000 trailing end of day drawdown. 2 minis, 40% consistency, 52. Once you get past that, what? Funded continued. Oh, okay. Minimum payout 500, weekly cap of 2,000. So that's the Orbit, hey? Starting balance $0 plus bonus vault. 90% profit split. No profit caps, no payout caps. Okay. What's the propel? I think I like the launch, you know. It's pretty cheap to get into. There is a there's a $99 activation fee. So you're looking at like about 160 total. You got a 34% consistency in the funded. Payouts available on daily when you're funded, that's kind of hard. I guess once you get over the buffer, you could start doing daily payouts Monday to Friday above the buffer. A 90% profit split, minimum balance 1,000. Extra info, no profit caps, no payout caps. I don't know what that brokerage. I don't know what that means, but oh, there's a 200K static though, guys. I heard about this guy. So $79 to get it, $179 to like once you pass it. The buffer target is 3,000 with a 2,000 static, starting balance of 3,000, profit goal of 6,000. Okay, I mean that's like a 100K account. Maybe I should get one of those guys. Holding overnight. Wish you luck on the longs. Nice. Good luck, Jonathan. Good luck, bro. Orbit is for degens that want to pass in one day. Gotcha. They have a 200 and a 300K. Does Propel have an activation fee. Propel 50K hot is, let's see here. What happened there? Okay. It looks like no. It looks like no. 3,000. You have a 34% consistency in the evaluation. 2,000 trailing end of day drawdown. The buffer is 3,000 with a 2,000 drawdown in the funded with a 34% consistency. Yeah, it looks like the Propel doesn't have an activation fee. It's $120 or $112, and it's a monthly charge if you don't pass it in 30 days. But yeah. Well, so they have a 200K static with the Propel account too, hey? 189. The launch is 79 plus 179. So the Propel's a little bit cheaper for the static account. Or sorry, the launch is a little bit cheaper for the static account. That's 2 days. Propel is 3 days. Okay, you need to do 3 days to pass it, which is fine. So Propel's actually seems like the better. So it's 190 though. Launch is in 2 days and it's 180 plus 79, 250. So I don't know. I think the Propel is like the way to go, isn't it? 200K static Propel. Payout available daily. %, consistency is both the same. Costs a little bit more, so a little bit less upfront. I guess you risk if you lose, if you don't pass the eval, you're risking all your 189. 2,000 static. Buffer, there's a $3,000 buffer with a 2,000 static drawdown for the launch. 2,000 static broad. Okay, so they're the same in that sense. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like the Propel might be better, guys. I don't know. What do you think? Launch is nice. Check out the static. I believe it doesn't go up as you make profit. Yeah, the static is literally what it sounds like. So you always have the 2,000 plus whatever profit you put in there. Ryan Entourage in the house. What's up? How you doing? Brian Stonks, bro has $1 million account. Oh my God. Is that $1 million account to do 5 minis and hold it overnight? He's a beast, man. Jonathan's a beast, man. Hey, EC Drive. How's it going? What did you miss? Not a whole lot. So far, I mean, we've been popping up a bit here, but I'm a little suspect what's going to happen after we get up to the 28,700 here. Whether or not we're going to continue higher. Reds everyday dog trading. How you doing? What's a John Stonks? Jonathan Stonks is the trader. This guy right here, the guy who gives me some super chats. He gave me a super chat to start the stream with a like. This guy, he's always blessing the channel. Thank you for that, Jonathan. FN Trades? No, it's a TPT live account. Okay, there you go. There you go. Nice. I'm watching Martian, Matt Damon with the kids in the house. Just came to the office to check the levels. Looking good for long still, though. I agree. Yeah, that Jonathan. Yeah. So you guys, what do you guys think? Static or sorry, the Propel or the launch? Launch is nice. Check out the static. Don't believe it goes up. So Propels are like, you know, if you're a little bit more confident that you're going to pass it, the propel's the way to go, right? Because it's 189. But you can only go 2 minis, which is, I mean, it's more than enough, but or you risk 79 now and then you pay 179 after you pass it with the launch. So Propel has no activation fee. Launch has the activation fee. So launch is 79 up front and then 179 to pass it for the 200K account with a static drawdown. Where Propel is 189 up front for the 200K static account. Yeah, exactly, Marty. Dude Monkey, Jonathan's long. He's holding 5 minis overnight. Long. Oh, yeah, because that was in he didn't say. Propel for you. Anyone knows how to pass eval regular for sure. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking too. It's like, might as well just go with the cheaper, like, end account. Cheaper, right? And I think that this deal doesn't last forever either. Propel 200K static. Tradeify 270.
No hoping, just executing. Wait, watch, react. Wait, execute, protect, repeat. Wait, execute, protect, repeat. Some days green.
Always dangerous. Hold any short position over the weekend with Trump in office. Yeah, right. He always seems to like try to pump the market overnight, right? Or over the weekend. Which time frame do you use for entry, Dave? Typically, I'm looking at the 5 minute for the most part, Masashi. Next gen 80% off code is summer 80. Okay. Before Trump, it was relatively safe to hold shorts over the weekends. Yeah, true. But that daily chart looking like it might be going up. Mick Riker. Well, you're in a long anyways. He's talking about a short over the weekend. Unless there's a comment I missed here. Let's take a look at the daily chart here. I mean, we were pretty freaking bullish here, guys. So, yeah, I mean, look at that. Look at that. But well, let's see though. I mean, are they going to pull back and bounce it? You know, like,
Follow the plan.
and pretty decent volume anyways on this last
Trust your edge.
this bullish candle here.
Execute.
We do have a bullish or a bearish fair value gap 28,843 on the daily. So let's see if, you know, it'd be nice if this thing could rip up here and close up like 28,900 area, 970, 950. Imagine that. I mean, it's possible by the end of the session. Because we had the big push, we had a bit of an indecision candle, and then we gapped up and we're going higher. We're back in this channel too here, which I had drawn for quite a long time. So, I mean, there is good potential here, guys. We do have a naked point of control, 29,500 also, which, you know, ES is already taking that one out. So, Greg P, hey, what's up? How you doing? That pump last Friday, no one knew, but I think it was yen carry trade that Japan did. Oh, really?
New day, new edge. Here we go. Morning light, opportunity.
Let's go back to the 5 minute here. Let's check this out.
Ready for the fight. News feeds flash, charting highs. Fortune waits in plain disguise. Calendar lock, no room for doubt. No regrets, we figure it out. Levels drawn with careful hand. The edges here across the land.
No emotions.
No surprise,
Trade the facts.
not the highs.
Well, I bit the bullet, guys. I got it. I got one. Doing awesome. Camping with some friends for the long weekend. Caught a bunch of walleye today and had dish for supper. Nice. That's amazing. So look, guys, I did it. I got the 200K static drawdown from Blue Sky.
No chasing.
No guessing,
No hoping.
just executing.
Wait.
Watch,
React.
react. Wait, execute, protect, repeat. Wait, execute, protect, repeat. Some days green, some days red. Journals, wisdom in my head. Protect capital, the golden rule. 1%, my sharpest tool. Small position, full control. Winning stars deep in the soul.
Slow breathing. Clear thinking.
No revenge.
Just discipline.
Market open, let's begin. Trust the process, play to win. Plan the trade, respect the risk. Don't let ego make the pick. One set.
Without the Trump pump over the weekend, this market would have gapped down instead of up. You think so, hey? Hey, one hit point in the house. Hey, Ralphie. Ralph loves the attention. Look at he popped his eyes open there for you. Hey, Ralph. Hey, bud. You sleeping over there? Huh? You okay? You okay, bud? Hmm? He looks a little pouty right now. He's like sleeping. He's like, I'm sleepy right now. Blinking. Hey, look at that. 81 people in YouTube. Good evening, everybody. 200K is crazy. Well, I mean, you know what, Angia? That's just a number, right? It's a 6K profit target. So it's like, you know, I got that 100K from Top 1 Futures, which I passed, which is 6K. So it's like, it's not that hard to hit that target, right? And with the $2,000 drawdown is a little tight. So gonna have to do a little slow and steady at first. But the nice thing is, you know, once you get like 1 or 2,000 in there, you know, you're gonna have like $4,000 drawdown before no time, right? So Yeah, he's like, yeah, it's sleepy time in this market, so let's sleep. Yeah, it's pretty good, but it's only a 2K drawdown, whereas like Top One Futures has I think it was 4K for their 100K account. So if you go Elite Challenge, Elite Access, 100K, it is 6,000 profit target, drawdown of 3,000. So a little bit higher consistency. But this one has a pretty big activation fee, like 250 activation fee, $40 to buy it, $39 to buy it, but then a 250 activation fee. So it's pretty freaking expensive, to be honest. Am I looking to sell or buy tonight? I'm looking to stay flat right now, philanthropist. But in general, I'm thinking longs, right? Kind of hard to not. I mean, there's always the risk that we're going to go fill the gap on the downside. But, you know, if I'm just saying by the typical rules I like to go by, one is we're above previous day's point of control. Two, we're above the VWAP. So as long as we stay above the VWAP, we're looking for longs. So should be all right. Should be good. Yeah, it's not a bad deal for these the static account, right? 179 for a static drawdown with a $6,000 target. So you get 2,000 out of the gate, but it doesn't change at the end of the day, right? Like if you gain 1,000, now you have a $3,000 drawdown. If you gain another 1,000, then you have 4,000 drawdown. So it's pretty awesome in that sense. That's for shizzle. That's for shizzle, my nizzle.
No chasing, no guessing, no hoping, just executing. Wait, watch, react.
That's a game changer, right? You like it? I know static drawdowns are like kind of like the next level for prop firms right now, you know? The more those static drawdowns just kind of like make it a little bit more like your own personal account, you know what I mean? Whereas like normally, you know, you have 2,000 and then, you know, you get a $500 winning day. Well, the next day you still only have 2,000 drawdown, right? So yeah, Topset has it too, except for they have a really tight daily loss limit. So you can only lose like $500 a day or something. So it kind of defeats the whole purpose of having the static drawdown if you're getting stopped out at $500. You know what I mean? That's what I heard also. I'm pretty sure that's what it is with Top Step, right? I'm gonna go over there right now. So yeah, Top Step Labs 25K static drawdown combine. Did I say the N-word? No. No. Heck no. I think you must misheard me, bro. Oh, my nizzle? Yeah? I said for shizzle, my nizzle. Is nizzle not gonna... That's not a bad word, is it? I didn't know that was not allowed. It's in the YouTube algorithm. Like you're not allowed to say that word or what? So I'll be right back. 1 sec. So I wanted to ask your guys' opinions and like let me know what you think about the swag shirts, guys. I think it looks pretty good in person. I finally got some. So I got a t-shirt and then I also ordered the sweater. I ordered the mug, Angia, but it hasn't showed up yet. So it's on the way. I'm gonna check that real quick to see where that thing is. Where the heck is it? Let's see. Did they not send it? Oh yeah, it's ordered. It's just not. It hasn't been delivered yet. It's expected delivery date was the 27th. However, fulfillment is taking a bit longer than expecting. Check tracking details. So it says it's shipping soon. The coffee cup. Oh, Ralph, what are you doing? What's Ralph doing? He's trying to get a close up there, guys. Look at this guy. He's like, hey, let's put my head right in the camera. He wants to puke? What do you mean? What was he gagging or something, Angia? Yeah, I can show you the design of the mug. Let's see here. Where is the? There it is. So it's like this. VWAP is king. Stack base hits. Trade like an adult, and it has a little bit of a chart looking icon on the other side. You know, he's just moving around. He's a busy guy. Okay, guys, we're getting some movement on the charts here. We are pulling back at the moment. Let's see if we're going to get a VWAP test here. So kind of what I'm looking for. We do still have, we have the order still up at 700 here. Let's take a look. We had the 15-minute fair value gap here at 630 and then also at 617. So I'm kind of thinking something like this would be the trade. Long up to sort of targeting the highs with a stop below this channel area. So what is that? Is that a 46 to a 65 trade? We can even go to 48 or 50 even. 50 to 65 points. $28,612. $28,612. $28,612. Did that not work? That didn't work. What's going on here? Let me just double check these accounts to make sure. Hey, Butcher, I used your code to buy 150K Tradeify on Friday. Hey, I saw that somebody had used my code. Thank you, Sat, for that. I appreciate it, bro. That's a pretty nice commission tip from you. Thank you for that, man. That's amazing. I think that was like my second Tradeify code used. So thank you for that. No. Yeah. Yeah, it took me a while. Like I spent like probably 5 to 6 hours designing, going through a bunch of iterations of designing these the designs for the cup and the shirt and the everything. So it was definitely a lot of work. Come on, come on over here. I'm not sure what's going on with my let's go to the dashboard here. Oh, that's not true. They're not failed. That's not true. They're disconnected for some reason. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on with my strategy or my accounts. What I gotta do is I gotta probably go in to each thank you for that. Yeah, Ralph's a little awake today. Hey guys. He's been sleeping all day, so he's finally awake. So I think I need to go back into my brokers and refresh the connections. It's because the connections expired. That's why it's saying it's not connecting. It says failed on those accounts, which I know they're not. They're just not connected for some reason. There we go. There we go. Okay, so I just got to go back through here and activate all my accounts, or not activate them, but double check that they're all connected. I need to reconnect all the accounts to the prop firm, or the trade sync, or sorry, what am I saying here? Traders Post. Do we need to re-enter for? No, not for tonight. So after tonight's stream, guys, I'm gonna make the new form. It was like too close to the end of the month. I know I've been saying at the end of the month we'll have a new form, but since it's like the end of the month and then it's the start, Sunday, I was just gonna do it right after this Sunday. So after Sunday here, we'll have to we'll reset the form. So thanks, Angia. Yeah, if you guys want to check out the swag, just go to marketbutchertrades.com and you can see what I got there. So we got, you know, the shirt, the sweater, and the hat, and the mouse pad. Or the giant desk pad. Okay, so I think these Lucid accounts are finally connected. So let's see here. Copy price, limit, paste, buy. There we go. Now we're good. So interesting, guys. I was gonna show you guys live because we have a bunch of young chickens that we bought, and then we've been growing them out. And today's the day where they got integrated with the rest of the coop. So basically, how we do it is we have a cage out in the yard with all the old chickens, and we put them in the cage for the day so that the old chickens can't like pick on them or whatever. And then we wait for the old chickens to go roost. And then we take the young chicks in, the chickens, the young ones in, and we put them in the coop at the end of the day so that everyone's all relaxed and calm. So I was going to show you guys this on YouTube or like live with the video, but it sounds like my mom went ahead and already did it. So never mind. Christine, we usually do the giveaway sort of around 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So usually what we're doing on Sundays, we're trying to get to that 100 like mark. So how we doing on the likes so far? So Sundays we usually shoot for 100 likes. We're about 45 right now. So we have 120 people in the chat, 123 people watching right now. So we could get there quickly, but usually we're waiting for about 100 likes on the stream, and then is when we get the giveaway going. And we're hoping to hit 2,000 subscribers today. We're about 27 away from 2,000. And you never know, might be a celebration night if we hit the 2,000 subscribers. Just say it, just putting it out there, you know. Hit the likes. Hey, B-Devil's in the house. Hey, welcome. B-Devil, if you're new, we do a 25K Lucid Flex account giveaway every Sunday. So if you want, just hit the pin comment there in the chat, and that'll take you to the Discord. Head over to the giveaway channel. I'll show you real quick here. So here's the Discord. You'll end up in the general chat. Go to the giveaway channel here, and then there's a little pinned button on the top right corner. If you click that, it'll drop down this little window, and it'll show you the pinned comment. And on there's a little Google Docs form. You fill that out, you'll be entered into tonight's giveaway. All that we ask is that you also subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification, and come hang out and have some fun with us. Always fun here. Always having a good time. Yeah, we, you know, I sell chicken eggs out of the front of the property, and then I love to eat organic chicken eggs, so that's why. Hey, Hayata Merlaku? Hayat Ameriaku. Hello. He saw the NQ charts and went back to sleep. I know, right? That's Ralph knows what to do. As I fly in the house. Good evening. Christine's in the house. Not sure, maybe 1 hour. Yeah. After the duck race, after the giveaway, do we have a duck race for extra entries as well, Dave? We might. I don't see why not. Since we're going to be starting a new form for next week. Hey, Chris, welcome. Oh, Chris has been here. Trina Banana in the house. You fold your laundry, you're relaxed now. Ultimately, it's a half a loss, I realize. Not too bad. Oh, there you go. That's not too bad then. That's not too bad. Way to keep it controlled. Adam does. Hey, what's up? NQ contract killer. Woo! Adam's a man. Everyone's sleeping, so I'm here. Nice. You got some downtime, eh, Chris? How long does it take to Lucid to approve payouts next business days? They're really fast as I fly. Like, I think people, you get it kind of like same day, like really fast. They're like one of the fastest payout companies. No, as I fly has been around lots. Or what am I saying? Oh, is it your first time getting a payout? Oh, first time getting the payout, yeah. Man, this PA is killing me so slow. I know, Adam. That's why I just got an order here, 1 micro down at the VWAP. Looking for what I would like to see here, guys, is a really quick candle down that forms a wick. Right to the VWAP, just a big reddish candle that has a big wick on the bottom, and we end up closing, you know, above the VWAP or above the VWAP, and then we just turn around and go back higher. So we'll see, though. We'll see. I got my stop down here. So I'm risking, this trade would be risking $100 to make 130. So not a 1-to-1, but it's a relatively decent trade. Have you heard of a company called Invariance Levels? No, X-Trader, I have not. I've got a Lucid payout in 2 minutes. Yeah, once you have it all hooked up and everything, it's really fast. EC drive 10 4 days. Soybean, no, I'm not in a trade right now. I'm flat. I have an order queued up. I'm looking for a long in this to buy sort of 28,613 area. Lucid is within minutes. Nice, yes. Bears will be incoming soon. Low volume this session. Yeah, well, I mean, it is the overnight session, so. First payout took me about 36 hours. Subsequent payouts were the same day or next day, depending on what time you request. Question, just curious, how long on average do you take to pass a 50K challenge, meaning 3K profit? You or everyone in the chat? Well, let me see here. Let's do I have, does that blue sky show? Can I still see the blue sky? I don't think I can see the blue sky info anymore. Let me log into Lucid and see if there's still some stats on any of those past evals here. But I think it takes me, I do it slow and steady, and I take about 3 weeks or so, 2 to 3 weeks, depending. I don't like to this low YOLO it. I trade them like as if they're a funded account. So evals, where is the past? Active breached all. Unfortunately, once you pass it, they don't show it anymore. Yeah, it looks like they don't show it anymore, so I can't really see it. But yeah, I mean, I think it was about 3 weeks, I think it took me to pass it. I know, slow ass, right? I mean, it's kind of like depends on how you want to trade it, right? If you got money to throw at it, you can always try to rush it, right? Yeah, but typically they're around 2 to 3 weeks for me, so it depends. If it's next gen free resets, I take about 2 minutes to pass them, but typically 2 weeks for me because I trade them like funded accounts, slow and steady. Yeah, same as me. Soybean, yes, I trade pretty much full time. It's not my like only job though, right? Like I'm a real estate agent, and I trade Monday to Friday market open, and then I also stream Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday evenings at a minimum. Lately, I've been throwing an extra Monday or Wednesday in on occasion, but yeah. I passed a Lucid Pro in 1 day, but then blew it up the next. See, that's kind of that's the risky part, right? You gotta try not to take those bad habits into the funded account, you know? So maybe we're not going to get a pullback like I was hoping here. Yannick's in the house. Hey, good evening. 25K Rapids and TVT Pro hidden treasures. What's the Rapids? Which firm is that one with? W Dave, you're a real estate agent. Wow, good deal to get a good house from you in Canada. Well, I don't know that, you know, like, yeah, I mean, I could help you get a house, but whether or not you're going to get a good deal, that's relative to what you think. So, because the market in Canada is pretty expensive. So, it's pretty expensive, man. You know, I heard that actually Regina, Saskatchewan is probably one of the hottest markets in Canada right now, but it's like in the middle of Canada, and it's, you know, prairies. There's no mountains. It's pretty quiet, but it's the only place where you can really buy reasonably priced houses nowadays. So if you're looking anywhere on the East Coast or the West Coast, they're freaking expensive, guys. If you can control yourself and have the funding, you could do 1 day pass evals and trade them slowly once you pass. Takes good consistency kind of mentality though. Yeah, and the only thing, FN, like that's what I was saying earlier, is you just got to make sure that you don't take those like pass it in 1 day habits into your funded account, right? Because that's just you're just asking to like end up losing your account in 1 day, right? So yeah, you can watch your dog run away for 3 days in the prairies, right? Yeah, be like, where is he? We get out the binoculars. Okay, I can still see him. He's good. What about DD? What is DD? Daily drawdown? I need $1 to pass my 25K Lucid eval last week, and I blew. What? You blew it? Wow, dude. I'm sorry to hear that. That sucks, man. So whenever I'm that close to a trade, I will put a super tight stop. So if it ends up being, I end up like losing 30 on that trade, so be it. Then you only have $31 to make, but at least you're gonna like go down in $30 increments rather than blowing a whole account. So if you ever get back to that point, make sure you keep a super tight chain, super tight stop, right? So can you explain the heat map on the left? Yes, of course I can. So this is called Bookmap. Typically you're going to pay about $40 per month to get Bookmap. as the software, right? And then once you get the software, you're going to have to buy data for it. So if you're only trading NQ and ES, I think it's about $40 a month. You can get the CME data. But if you're thinking about, you know, I need to turn this music down a bit. Sorry, I'm hard to think here. So if you ever trade like YM or any of the commodities, there's a bundle package that you can get for the data, which is about $75 a month. So it depends on what you're looking for. So that's kind of the price that you're going to get into it. So it's not cheap, but I would say it's definitely worth it. So what you're looking at here is obviously this kind of like wiggly line here. That's going to be the price, right? So as price is going up or down, right? On the bottom here, this is called the CVD, the cumulative volume delta. This is just showing you whether the buyers or sellers are in control. Currently, we have a positive 967 CVD. So just saying that the buyers are in control. And then on the book here, you can see this big red line, right? The big red lines are usually lined up with large orders on the book. And that means that there's real orders from, you know, like a real cash account where they have sell orders if it's above and buy orders which are below. So for example, if there was a whole bunch here at 28,600, there's only 21. So it's not showing up on the book as a dark line. But if there was more, they would show this like red line down here. So just keep that in mind. If it's below price, so if it's below the price, it's going to be a buy. If it's above the price, it's going to be a sell. So right now we have 101 contracts in a sell orders at 28,700. So it just, what it does is it shows you where the interest is to sell contracts, right? So because the market is efficient, the market typically likes to go where the orders are. So I don't base my trades off of the book map. What I do is I watch the charts. I come up with an idea on the chart, maybe from like the VWAP or other reasons as to why I'm going to enter and what direction I'm going to enter. Then I go over to the book map and watch that to see where the orders are. And if it lines up with the idea on my trade, then it just gives me that like added confluence. And then one other thing that I like to do is I like to take profits, either partial profit or all the profits before the price hits those orders. Because if you guys have seen before, and I've talked about it many times, quite often price will get up to these orders and they won't fill it maybe on the first try, or maybe not fill it at all and pull back, you know, 15, 20, 30 points, or even and get a reversal. So usually what I'll do is I'll take those orders and I'll front run those orders with my sell or my position to get out of my position somewhat or fully before the price hits those orders. That's a basic rundown of the book map. Hopefully you can get funded by the end of this week now. Did I miss a comment earlier? Okay, here. Same here, bro. I passed the eval, told myself I wasn't going to trade till the next morning, but I couldn't hold myself to my promise. Blew all three the same night I passed. Sorry to hear that. Yes, and it happens, right? So it's hard. It's hard. And you know, if it's the first, to be honest, if it's like one of the first few times that you're passing evals, and if you pass three, right? If you say you copy traded and passed all three, then you know, split those babies up, trade them one at a time. Then you don't have to worry about blowing all three at once. And if you blow one of them, make sure you lock yourself out so you don't trade the other two. Yeah, it happens, right? Beginner mistake for sure. You've blown funded to days after you got them funded. Taking it slow is painful but necessary. Yes, 100%. They were flex fundeds too. I had to reset from the beginning. Now I'm up 400 on each, only 800 left. Right, nice, good for you. And you know, there's not a lot of wiggle room in those 25K accounts, right? So make sure you keep the size down to like 1 or maybe 2 micros maximum, especially if you're trading NQ. If you're trading ES, you could probably go a little bit bigger size, but to be honest, like only making a $1,200 profit target is relatively easy just on a couple micros, right? And good luck on those. Hopefully you get it. So the 2 smaller dots of where the orders were filled, they were also above the price, but price spiked. Okay, so these are buyers, right? So how I said it is, so when it comes out of the box, it'll show all of the buy and sells with a whole bunch of little green and red circles on it. So the bigger the circle, the larger the order. The smaller the circle, the smaller the order. I set it to a minimum of 50 contracts. So it's not going to show any buyers or sellers unless it's at least 50 contracts. So as you can see here, well, I think it set it to 40 actually. So this one is 47 contracts were purchased because it's green. So it was a buy order. So like somebody hit, bought on the bid rather than, or sorry, bought on the ask. Sorry, not bought on the bid, bought on the ask, like a market order. And then there's another 46 here, 20, 28, 648. So if you look back at this one, 382 contracts were bought at 28,629. So it's just giving you an idea as to where the buyers are, right? So this might be the same people, right? You don't really know, and we've been turning bullish here. We're heading up to those orders up at the 700 here. It's too bad we didn't get the pullback. So I'm probably going to end up taking these orders off. We're going to have to reassess. So I'm just going to cancel these orders. Be patient here. Reassess. Because it doesn't seem like it's going to happen. Michael Anthony, hey, look at SMPL. Has 123.9 million of cash with book value at 1603. Could be oversold, being near lows. Hey, I haven't really been trading any stocks, but if anyone's trading stocks there, Michael has a little tip for you guys in the chat. So check it out. Do your due diligence though. Make sure you just, look into it yourself and come up with your own trade plans. Not financial advice from anybody in the chat either, right? Yeah, trades. Hey, what's up? How are you? Yeah, 25K is wild. I like Lucid lower profit target versus take profit trader. Yeah, 1250 rather than 1500, right? Man, I can't lie. When I passed those 3 evals, I was just firing 5 micros per account. And if you're trading an eval, that's fine. But once you get into the funded, once you get into the funded, you just need to keep it down, because one wrong trade, you can easily lose $1,000 in one trade with 5 micros, right? Study and brew. Hey, Toronto's in the house. Hey, I'm in Vancouver area. I don't know if you ever heard of Mission. It's about 55 minutes, maybe 1 hour outside of Vancouver, near Abbotsford, Maple Ridge kind of area. So another Canadian stud in the house. Stud, wine, brew. No. Hectron. Think Blue Sky, you can reset buffer stage if failed certain accounts. Yeah, that's true. Good evening. Good evening. To the moon. Yeah, I don't go long so often, but I longed it. Okay, and yeah, nice. Trading 5 MNQ contracts, not too much depending on how you trade it. I trade 1 NQ contract on 50K evals. You're pretty crazy, NQ though, or FN trades. You think it's too late now for a VWAP touch at this point? I'm just going to be a little more patient. I don't need to have my orders sitting there now. It could be, we might still get the pullback. This is not financial advice channels, meant for educational purposes only. Trade with your own risk. Make your own trading decisions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions. And just got the best comments, guys. Vancouver, baby. Yeah, my second hometown. Nice. Love it. Calgary over here. Beautiful. The Trendline Traders. Beautiful. Like it. I'm frequently between Toronto, Vancouver, Calgary, and Ottawa for business, or what? Glad to have my fellow Canadians here. Hey, you're long till the buy side liquidity 28,724. 724 is your. We do have contracts up there that just came on. 117 contracts. 28,725. I'm educational only for long for 723. Whoops. That's how I passed my evals and funded in 1 mini. Yeah, I mean, it's not a bad idea to put a little bit more size on evals. If again, That's if you have, you know, a little bit of extra money that you're willing to risk those evals, because as you guys know, one mini can go against you real fast and you can blow account pretty quickly, right? So, but if you can refill your accounts, you know, a couple of times, if case you have to, then, you know, it's not horrible idea to put a little more risk to try to get it through it. If you're not passing evals consistently, sorry, then there's no need to put on that kind of size, right?
Management every day. 2 MNQ, that's all I need. Payout hidden, now we breathe. Omaha one's too short to trend. That fence says, brother, don't do it again. 1 second chart if you need.
1 ES is perfect. 5 MNQs okay too. Yeah, 5 MNQs, you can make it real fast with 5 MNQs, right? New hour in a couple of minutes. Yes, it is. We got 4 minutes to the new hourly candle, which is a midnight open price. So if you guys know, I do trade the midnight open price trade in the New York session. So let's just say we haven't tapped the New York or the midnight open price in a long time and a little while before the New York session starts. Quite often it's a valid trade to trade towards midnight open price. So it's a beautiful trade idea and it works really well. So I've used it a number of times and it's a killer trade. So the midnight price. So like as soon as midnight, so the mid 12 a.m. candle, New York time happens, I always label that the midnight open price is what I call it, and it's an important level. You know, it's like the start of the new day, and it can be used as sort of like a draw on liquidity often, right? So you took 2 minis on the new 50K eval for a quick 410 points. Nice, Marty. Nice. I mean, what level is midnight open price? I need to take a look at that. Is it for Friday's price? No, it's it'll be coming up here at the hourly candle. Like when this hourly candle comes. So I have a little line here that I use. This is my midnight open price line. So once this next candle opens up, the very first printed price, I just label that as a midnight open price. Because you know, it's going to be 9 p.m. for me here, which is midnight for the East Coast, right? For New York. Keith Smith, hey, how you doing? Good morning, good evening. Good evening, Keith. Good evening. Are you trading to midnight before midnight opens or after? No. So Siwa, I use that for market open on the New York session. So like when the New York market opens at 9:30 a.m. tomorrow morning, often I'll be watching. If we haven't tapped the midnight open price, then there's a good chance, depending on how everything's looking on the day, I might trade it towards it. Obviously, if we're looking super bullish or we're like trending in a super strong trend away from it, maybe I won't take that trade. But quite often, if there's a chance that we're going to pull back, I won't even target all the way to the midnight open price, but I'll at least target a retracement towards it. So may get the view up. So here we go. We just got the new candle, right? So that's it right there. So I'm just going to label this right here. Boom. So now we got the midnight open price labeled for tomorrow. So let's just say the price, you know, keeps going up and up and up. And then tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m. market opens and we're up here. A valid trade is to trade it towards midnight open price. So maybe the 9:30 candle opens, we pump up. The next candle we start looking bearish, you can possibly get into a trade targeting midnight open price, or at least, you know, 15 points towards midnight open price if you want to be safer. Midnight open price is crucial for also London session. Oh, sorry. I'm like, what's a London session? must be a typo there. Breakout Hunter, hey, what's up? How are you doing? Yeah, and don't trade it. You don't need to trade it right away. So I mean, just watch it for a couple times, right? Just watch it. Maybe like mock up a trade. Like maybe wait for an inverted fair value gap towards, like if price is below it, right? And then you get an inverted fair value gap, then that would give you a little bit more of a confluence as to why price is going to go to the midnight open price. So that's what I usually do, is I'm looking for like an inverted fair value gap or a rejection on a higher time frame fair value gap from, you know, maybe the overnight session or something like that, right? So looking for an added confluence reason as to why you would target it, but yeah, you could, right? Midnight open was one of my trims on a nice short I hit Friday at New York session. Yeah, there you go. So lots of people trade that trade. I think the person I learned it from was Zach Arbucci. You guys probably know him all from Prop for Match. He's an amazing trader. So I joined ASFX TV as when they're like watching their streams and learning their courses when I first started trading futures. And, you know, I just totally gravitated towards Zach Arbucci's trading style. I already knew VWAP. I'd been trading it before. And then I got reintroduced into it for futures from ASFX. And then that's where I started picking up on the fair value gap, the value of the fair value gap, and inverted fair value gaps, plus also the volume profile, right? So then I just combined VWAP, fair value gaps, volume profile, and it's like, boom, there we go. You have a strat I built from London high or low trade into midnight open, and I run it automation. Nice. That's good. I don't really necessarily trade ICT concepts, but I do use a couple of those concepts like fair value gaps, inverted fair value gaps. I will keep an eye out for, you know, divergences between NQ and ES, or like, you know, SMTs, whatever. But I'm not really like a big ICT trader. I literally use VWAP, fair value gap, invert fair value gap, volume profile. Those are my ideas. So 74% win rate over 90 days. Nice. Beautiful. How we doing on the likes, guys? We're trying to hit 100 likes, and we're going to do that 25K Lucid Flex giveaway. We're at 76 already. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate you for doing that, supporting the channel. Hopefully we get some more subscribers. Hoping to we need about 20 more subscribers. Hopefully we'll hit that today. I'd really love to hit that 2,000 subscriber mark. And you never know, we might celebrate, hint, hint, at 2,000 if we hit it. So if you are new to the channel, I would appreciate a subscription. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on that bell notification to all. If you guys are already subscribed, please do me a favor and check your bell notification. Some people in the past couple weeks had been telling me that they thought that they had set their bell to all, but it was to personalized. So just double check that and make sure it's set to all so you don't miss any of our, you know, any of the videos or any of the live streams, because I love hanging out with you guys. So Lil Joe, Market Butcher, you're not going to believe this, but fair value gaps are just low volume nodes. VP can be placed anywhere, and it doesn't have to be anchored, ideally on the bottom of the move to the top of the breakout. Volume profile? Yeah, I know. I just like to go, so I just use previous day's volume profile because it just tells me whether or not we're in value still from the previous day and or not, right? And the thing that I like about using the previous day's volume profile is that it's set. It's not a developing profile, right? So yeah, I know you can set a volume profile. Like that's this guy, this yellow and blue indicator on the left here. So like I do occasionally just set it up so that I only see what's happening right now. So the current point of control is well below, down at 28,586, right? For now anyways. But you know, this is developing, right? So all we need is a little bit of high volume trades to come in up here, and it could switch the volume profile up there. The one thing I like about using the previous day is it's set. It's not going to change anymore. We know that those are going to be the levels for the rest of this trading day if you use it like that. So what I usually do is I set it to 30-minute time frame, right? Turn on my session volume profile indicator, and then I go back to the previous days, as you can see here. So we got the value area low right there. We got the point of control right there, and we got value area high right there. It's a little bit cluttered. Sorry, guys. I got a bunch of, you know, fair value gaps, higher time frame fair value gaps drawn in. And then this is our developing value areas, right? But like I said, it's developing. So all we need is a big buyer and seller to come in. It can really throw this off. So I don't really like to go by that. And typically a rule of thumb is, the golden rule of thumb sort of thing is, if we're above the point of control, then we're in, you know, we're in a bullish sentiment. And if we're below it, we're in a bearish sentiment. And then I also use the VWAP in line with that also. So hey, thanks, Soybean. Appreciate it. Hey, Kyle She's in the house. Oh, wow. Guess not. Woo? What's that, Kyle? Good evening, y'all. I miss it. No, you haven't missed a duck race. I watch Zach every day. Good trader, and agree with his style similar to mine. I'm not as good a trader yet, though. Yeah, we can all look to get better, eh, Sempa? Bell to all, folks. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Like, subscribe, notification. How you put the white and gray candles like this, Mr. Dave? Oh, this, okay, so this is, I forget who told me this. This is called multi-time frame candles, MTF candles. If you search that up on the indicator tab, that'll show it to you. So it shows a 4-hour, the 1 day. Well, if I'm on the 5-minute, it'll show you the 15, 30, 4-hour, and 1 day. Just let it load here for a sec. So we got the 15-minute candles, we got the 30-minute candles, you got the 4-hour candles, and you got the 1 day candles. So that's kind of how you can see your multi-time frame candles all at once. And I forget who told me that, but thank you to him. So can you rotate your iPhone landscape and show more of the screen? Oh, hey, Soybean, click the link, the pinned comment there, and join the full size stream. You're in the vertical stream. So if you want to see like a better view of everything, click the link there and come over to the full size stream. You're just in the vertical stream. Looks like Ralph is hiding on us, guys. There we go. So hey guys, I gotta head out and move the chickens into the coop. So I'm gonna take you guys down there if you don't mind. So I'm gonna go set up the camera inside the coop, and I'll give you guys a first eye view on moving the chickens in the coop. Do you think it's a good idea or what? What do you think? Yeah, so Soybean, the other one is more of like when people are flipping through their phone, right? And they're like flipping through their phone, going through shorts. It just gives them a way to see it. So, okay, let's see. I want to set it up so that we can have a larger view. Can I? I think we might take Ralph off here for a minute. So yeah, farm in real life. Yeah. There's also ICT time frame candles you can use. Gotcha. Oh, let me turn off this session volume profile here. And let me see here if I can add a new layout. Maybe we'll here we go, this one. I'll add this group layout. Okay, let me just edit this real quick. Let's make it bigger. Have the chickens choose buy or sell. Yeah, I don't know about that, but let's do it. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go down there now, guys. Let's hang tight here.
Another stop loss, another lesson, another chart, another night. I walk along the chart tonight. Searching for the next setup I find. The VWAP fade far away. trend lines. Every stop loss turned to wisdom over time. Funded account survives another night on the boulevard of broken trend lines. The market opens, the market closes, the candles come, the candles go. Frank keeps watch, Ralph dreams deep, and somewhere another trend line breaks. Another stop loss, another lesson, another chart, another night. I walk a lonely shore tonight. Another stop loss. Another lesson. Another chart. Another night. I walk along the chart tonight. The only one still glowing bright. Through broken trend lines left behind. Searching for the next setup I'll find. The VWAP fade far away. The value there is where I'll stay. The market whispers then it lies. Another fake out in disguise. And I know the candle doesn't care about my hopes or my prayers. I'm walking down the boulevard of broken trend.
Okay. Futures trading chickens, right? Let's get back into the action here. How we doing? Hey, tape reader, what's up? Sorry for that, guys. Hopefully, that was. Hopefully, you guys could see something. I'm not sure what was going on there, but if you could see it that good. But I'm gonna actually scroll the video back here. Oh, you couldn't really see much, eh? Oh no. Oh, that was a good attempt, anyways. Now you want fried chicken? I got a freezer full of organic chickens right now, so. I'll be right. One sec here. Need to wash my hands. And I guess that was the end of the pullback, eh? Butcher showing his C's live? I got lost in the dark, I know, right? Yeah. Future trading. Hopefully he has his whistle. Here's the idea. Have the chickens every night choose buy or sell and at least paper trade it or let the chickens have a prop account and see if they can pass. I know I've seen there's the one guy, right? He's got like the red dot and the green dot, and then he lets a chicken buy or sell. Chicken pullback. Hey, thank you, thank you. Cute dogs too. You like them? You like Frank and Rob? No, I have 40 something. I have like 30, 40, 47 chickens. 47, 48 chickens. Come on, buddy. 47 chickens, yes. We just integrated 17 new chickens there.
Another stop loss.
Your chicken wanted to fight me, not cool.
Another lesson. Another chart.
I think Ralph's getting thirsty there.
Another night.
You have about 40 right now, miniature chickens. They're for show. Really? I give my excess roosters to a friend with giant snakes. Damn. You were TP of eggs from the chickens? Yeah. They're not that close to me, no. There are some that are like probably an hour or two away, Lone Wolf. When I click the new form to fill it out, it says, yeah, so it's not a new form yet, Mahitek. It's after tonight's session, it'll be a new form. So the 50-minute candle has no bottom wick. I don't know if that's a thing, but someone mentioned it. Yeah, so if there's that's called the devil's mark, I think they call it. There is a little wick there, though. There's a little wick. If that's the one that you're talking about. I guess, are we going to get a pullback or not here? I don't know. Rhode Island Reds. Yeah, I have some Rhode Island Reds. I have some black Australorps. I have some Americanos. I have some Easter Eggers. I have the Salmon Favorels. I have can't remember. There's a couple other ones. So the dog won't trade until you butcher them chickens. Dave will update the form after tonight. Yes, 100%. But someone said new link updated. I think he was just sharing the link, like, to make it easier to find. If I think that was Ryan posted it just to like reshared the link. I think it was. This week I'm helping prepare 3,000 for chicken teriyaki at an annual festival. Really? You filled again? I thought it was a glitch. Oh. Ralph just crip walked over to his water. I know, right? Doink, 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 doink. On my screen, there's no wick. Interesting. Did you try zooming in on the 15? Where do you keep your chickens? They're all in a coop. I got a coop outside of the house, out front of the house. There, got a chicken coop and a chicken yard. It's electrical, has an electrical fence around it because we have a bear problem out here. So I'm gonna have to deal with Ralph here. Come on, Ralph. What are you doing? Stay under your bed. There you go, bud. You're good. Come on, lie down. Stay. He's all riled up. Yeah, he knows how to crip walk for sure. This guy, he's bouncing around. Oh, it seems like we maybe lost some viewers though while I was away. That's unfortunate. 1985 subscribers. We're about 15 away from the 2,000 mark. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And we're at about, like, we had about 76 likes. How are we doing now? 94. We're getting close to the target here. Yeah, GMAC. I put it live to a vertical stream, so when people are flipping through on their phones, if they're watching shorts and stuff, they'll get introduced to the stream that sense. And then if you click the link in the vertical stream, you can come over to the main stream after. So he'll get up and start to crip walk again. Give him the blue bandana. Yeah. Yeah, there's been lots of bad fires this year, especially in Canada. It's been really bad. So where are you going? Stay on your bed. He's He keeps moving around because usually he doesn't get off of his bed area, but because normally I have to block off half the couch because he'll go onto the side of the couch where he doesn't have all his like blankets and stuff. And yeah, he's just not cooperating with the stream tonight, guys. Where I live, there's lots of bears. Yes, I actually live on a mountain that's called Bear Mountain. So let's put it that way. Okay, well, I'm just gonna have to let him settle down here. All right, EC Drives, you have a great night. Price action's too slow. Sure you don't want to stick around for the giveaway? Bearish mountains, yeah. Ask bears to pull the market down. There you go. They're black bears. Luckily. Yeah, I'm usually streaming 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time till around 1:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. You've been seeing lots of bears this year too, Chris? Nice. I mean, I don't mind seeing them, except for when they're trying to get in my yard to eat the chickens. That's the only part where I don't like it. I don't blame them, but he's jacked. Yeah, he's got some big shoulders, eh? He won't settle down. Normally he's so chill all night, but tonight's not the night. The Pop Stop Gourmet Popcorn. Hey, how do you enter the giveaway? If you head to the Discord, there's a link there that'll take you to the Discord. If you head over there, go to the giveaway channel. There's a form in the giveaway channel. So you scroll to the top, it's a pinned comment, or hit the pinned button on the Discord and then enter the form. So here's the Discord. Go into the giveaway channel on the left here. You can either hit this little pinned message here, which will bring a little drop down window, and that'll show the form here with the Google Docs form. Just enter and put your information in there, and then you'll be entered in tonight's giveaway. Really, we're hoping to hit the 2,000 subscriber mark tonight also. That would be awesome. And there might be some sort of a celebration for that. Looks like we need about 12 more subscribers on the night. That would be a beautiful target to hit. You know, first it was, 100 like subscribers, then it was like 200, then it was 500,000. Now we're looking for 2,000. It's kind of a huge growth. So appreciate all the support from everybody here. So again here, so like I was saying, remember earlier, guys, when I was talking about the book map, we got these 28,700, and that's why I like to front run these orders, because look what price did there. We climbed up, we almost tapped into it, and then we pulled back all the way to 55 from 700. So look at that pullback. So this is kind of what I'm talking about. If you're in a long, you want to take some profits, or at least scale out somewhat up there, because these pullbacks happen all the time at these high, high contract orders. So ceasefire deal is being reached with Iran. The strait is open. Did you see news on that? I didn't see any news on that. Or did you get that off True Social, SJ? Hey, sports, how you doing? That's Ralph. He's a 10.5-year-old French bulldog. He's my little buddy. Sorry about that. I had to sneeze there. Probably got some dust in my nose from going in the coop. So yeah, that's my French bulldog. He's 10.5 years old. His name is Ralph. He's had a rough life. Let's just put it that way. He's got the disc degenerative disease. He's had 2 major surgeries, one on his spine, one on his neck. Unfortunately, he can't walk anymore. He's a bit of he's a fighter though. He never gave up. Battled pneumonia for 2 years, and now we're dealing with a skin bacterial infection. But you know, he's a happy guy. That's a good thing about being a dog. You don't know that you can't walk anymore, and it doesn't really affect your overall attitude as a dog. So he's a happy guy. So if anybody knows anything about dogs when they get lame like that, but you gotta like squeeze their bladder for them to pee, and yeah. Keith Smith, you just had a friend subscribe, but they don't trade. Oh, hey, thanks, Keith. I appreciate it. How do you rate tonight's price action? Not good. Not good. I mean, it's not horrible, like, but you know, look at, we've been kind of so we were ranging here. We kind of broke out a little bit higher, and then we're ranging again. So we're not really getting much, you know, solid direction at the moment. So this could be a bit of an accumulation stage. So like, let's just say this is accumulation, right? So the market makers or the you know, the big players are currently accumulating shares, right? And then what they're going to do is they're going to manipulate it. Maybe they're going to make it go higher for a bit, and then they'll distribute lower, or vice versa, right? So we'll have to see how it looks after London. But let's just say these guys accumulate, then London pulls all the way back, you know, pulls down below these lows and starts playing around down here. New York session comes, and then they just turn bullish, and then they distribute all the contracts higher, something like that. So I would be more likely thinking we're accumulating. New York's going to happen. Maybe London's going to happen. We're going to break out to the top side, and then we're going to distribute lower. That would be my guess, but not financial advice. And I can't really say right now. We got to get through London first, right? So Sinister Scalper said, find a groomer in your area with a TheraClean micro bubble system. They specialize in healing skin issues, allergies, and wounds, but it does amazing things for your older dogs with physical issues too. Really? Nice. Yeah, so currently I have to like clean his wounds basically twice a day. And then I have a medicated like antibacterial spray with a steroid component to it, and I have to do that twice a day. I've given him baths with a medicated shampoo every couple days also. Hey, we're back up to 164 viewers right now, 156 in YouTube, 9 in X. Good evening, everyone. Oh, we broke the 100 likes. Nice. Isn't this SMT divergence where we trapped Asia high in ES but not in NQ? Let me take a look here. Yes, this could definitely be an SMT, but you'd probably want to wait a little bit longer to make sure it is. So what we kind of want to see after we have an SMT like this is we want to see, like, ideally what we want to see is sort of like ES, sort of like put up a big candle that gets rejected and starts going lower. That would be ideal, and that would tell us that like it's probably going to play out as a good SMT divergence, right? Usually we kind of want some sort of a sweep before we're gonna before it validates SMT. That's my understanding. I'm not a great SMT trader, but often I'll be looking for a reversal in that situation, right? Long live Mr. Ralph. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Solitude trading. Nice. You will be blown away when you see him after a session. They are out of Vancouver also. Really? I'll definitely look that up. So sorry, what did you say that was again here? Thera Clean Micro Bubble System. I'm gonna just search it real quick and have it as in my browser tab. Thera Clean Micro Bubble System. Thera Clean Micro Bubbles. Innovative microbubbles offer a gentle and effective solution for cleansing your dog's coat and skin, ensuring a pristine and healthy appearance. Cool. Mike? Nice little ending diagonal. I'm just going to take this guy off here because we'll be patient. If we get a pullback, we'll think about taking that trade here again. But they heal up wounds that vets can't even touch. Seeing it do amazing things firsthand. Really? When your sell thesis will activate on NQ price? I don't have a sell thesis at the moment. Philanthropist. I'm looking for long, so I'm waiting for a pullback for a potential entry on a long. So change in state of delivery. Gotcha. Yes, CISD, change in state of delivery. Okay, SMT is only valid when it delivers from a gap and a change of state of delivery. Okay, gotcha. I need to drop down to VWAP, then I want to go to bed. Oh, are you in a short right now, Sinister?
But the market, you don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Money to stack, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab, yeah, I heard that line. Every wicked setup if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. Why the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they hunt your stops like it's all a game. Like some shit.
Yes, shorted from 28,699. All right. Oh, nice. Wow, dude. I don't think you could have picked a better top there. Like, did he? This doesn't even look like it hit 699. That's crazy. Are you an NQ or MNQ? That was a sniper entry. The one that sweeps usually H and does it twice? Okay, yeah.
Trust the play, meanwhile rent still due next day's A's. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the
MNQ?
while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand. Ain't no system gonna make you a man. It's discipline, patience, lost you accept.
2002 subscribers, guys. 2002. Seriously. Woo! That's so crazy. Thank you, everybody.
I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts fold.
Seriously, thank you, everybody. I appreciate that. That's amazing. That's a huge milestone, guys.
VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I'm
Thank you, thank you. 28,699 was Rocket Scooter on it. Damn. Thank you, everybody. Okay, you know what? I think we did hit the like target. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna head over and start getting this form ready. We're actually at 114 likes. So thank you, everybody, for that. I appreciate the support. You guys are really blessing the stream tonight. News is out. What news? Yeehaw!
Yeah.
Okay, let me change the song here. Let's get a good song going here. Let's go with this guy right here. I'm gonna start doing the form here. Let's get this form going. Wow, 180 responses in this form, guys. So let's go here. This is gonna be a big duck race, guys. This is gonna be a big duck race. Thank you, Hi Tamariaku. Your name's hard to say. Can you like type it out just in small spots that I can? Jonathan, thank you, buddy. Thank you. I appreciate the super chat. This guy always throwing out the super chats. Appreciate it. Hi Tam. Okay, hi Tam. Gotcha. Quack mo fo. Thank you. Okay, let's get this form going here. I'm gonna download this CSV file and upload it to ChatGPT in the form duck race entry summary form. Richard Dowdy, it's time. But don't like ducks swim? Don't little ducks swim better? Yeah. Your duck's an amputee, so that effer just swims in a circle with one leg, right? ChatGPT is doing its work right now. Okay, I got the list here. All right.
One trade at a time. Market butcher.
Let's hope we don't have to run like so many duck races today. Ralph is chilling. Yes, he is. He's out cold now. Hey, Fasil, how you doing? Did you fill the form probably before? You're still in there if you did. So I haven't made a new form. We're gonna make a new form after tonight. Let me just take a quick look, scan through here. It shows that you're not in the form, Fasil. So head over to the Discord and fill that out real quick while I'm getting these names together. Yeah, Wilson, you're in there. Yeah, we usually just rerun it. It's no big deal to rerun it. It's fine. But yeah, Fasil, just head over and fill out the form here in the Discord, and then you'll be good to go. I went to enter it, said I already entered, but I had not filled it out formula. That's fine. We only update that form once a month. So this will be after tonight's trading session, Sinister. It'll be a new form. So just make sure sometime during the next week you head in there and fill it out. So today's the last day for that form, and then we'll be putting a new one. So I will update it every month, but because this Sunday fell so close to the end of the month, that I just figured it makes sense to just reset it right after this month ends, or right after this giveaway. So Kashal Gupta, I'm waiting for a pullback to go long. So I mean, other people might be taking a short now, targeting the VWAP. I know some people are, but I would be waiting for a pullback to go long. Why the sudden drop? It's probably just normal price action, right? We're due for a bit of a pullback, and you know, quite often they're going to need to like sweep these lows. You know, maybe they're going to come to the VWAP and then take it higher. They can't seem to get through the orders up here at 28,700, right? So, and yeah, there's that too. We got you know, the hourly candles coming up here too. So maybe they're going to manipulate it a bit here before they make the move higher. So, all right. Let me just go here. So looks like, let's see. I'm going to double check this form here because I think Fasil was just filling it out. Okay, we got busy 928. Prudent. Hero 0, who's night shift? Okay, well, I'm gonna have to download this form one more time and resend it to ChatGPT while these last couple people got in. So we'll do one more quick download. That's kind of it though, guys. I'm not gonna leave it open for too much longer here. So let's just do it here.
chase that wick. Take your profit, don't be a dick. Smart money moves.
Hey, busy trades. Welcome, welcome. You filled the form, Kate? Perfect. I just uploaded it, so it should get the new names in there. And if I missed your name, I'll just add it here. I see your name on the list there. Facile Crypto. Puerto Rico. Love it when I see all these other people from different countries. What do we got here? So I'm going to read out some of these countries. Puerto Rico, United States, Nepal, India, Morocco, Sao Paulo, Brazil, Australia, a whole whack of people from Australia. It's a little suspect.
Fools like calling out the moves. When he's cool, he's got the groove. Jerry waiting, never rushed. One clean setup. That's enough. Top 40 says wrist first, bro. Moon boys down, stole the show. Drews and nitrous, rocket flight. Everybody laughing, oh, I don't fall, only flow. Jomo steal the show. One good trade, walk away. Tomorrow brings another day. Everybody sing. Give up is king. Feel the market turn. Give up is king. Smart money.
Okay, I got the new updated list here. Let's just make sure Facile Crypto's got on there because I think I downloaded it right before he finished the form. So I think I'll have to add him now because I don't see his name on the list. So one sec here. Copy this.
Trade like adult space heads. One trade at a time. Market butcher. Market butcher. Here what is
Okay, I think I got the form pretty much ready. We're all good now. And Facile Crypto, I missed his name, so I'm just gonna add him on the bottom here. So it didn't. I downloaded it right before he was there. Facile Crypto 1. Facile Crypto 1 done. Okay, we got the form ready, guys. Okay, we're gonna put this for 1 minute. No, you know what? Let's go clear. Let's go. We're gonna go 2 minutes for the first one because we hit 2,000 subscribers. So I think it makes sense. Let's just do 2 minutes here. And where's the duck race song? My duck ran what? Where's the other duck race? Save what next?
Yeah.
Where is my duck race song here? Where the heck did it go?
Actually, it's mostly bad.
Okay, let's just do this one. All right, guys, good luck here. Let's go full screen. Get rid of the banner. 2,000 minutes, yeah. Good luck, everybody here. Let's give them a couple shuffles. There is a lot of people, so none of this, I don't see my name. I'm not on the list. You guys are there. If you filled out the form, you're there. If you filled out multiple times, like I know somebody did, you only have one entry anyway, so don't waste your time in the future. Or I might have to end up banning you from entering at all. Don't be a cheater. Okay? You know who you are. I keep catching you every single time. You just put in extra entries with all different emails and everything. So don't do it. Okay, let's do this. You're not getting away with it. Okay, good luck here, guys. 2 minutes on this duck race. Apple, there we go. Bags of cash. Peace be lit. CLB nodes. M Brown, I am Candle Trump. Callisto fan. Ovi. Malakishon. Talon King Coops. There's Facile Crypto with the Trump duck. Oh my god, watch out. Vikram. Yo Jim Blob. Night Nitesh Devkota. NG Gaming, NQ Man, Drew 69 Malibu, more Verid AC, Donna H, Siwa Liquidity Bevel, Mahitek, Keith Smith, Jaded T, good luck, Lady C, aka Lyric, Lady Sika. Go. Hit the number 1 in the chat if you want your duck to go faster, guys. You only got 50 seconds left. Sovereignty. Richard Dowdy. The Mano Chef. The Minute Millionaire. Ranja. Gabe's Shenrike. Uncle Daniel. Kyle Shees. Musashi. Poor guy. Big Body Benz, the Loyalist Ledger, Wayne, Solitude Trading, Bishwash. 10 seconds here. Who's gonna come from the back here? Who's gonna take it? Is it gonna be Keith Smith? Is it gonna be NG Gaming? Medi NQ. Medi NQ, are you here, buddy? Good luck, Medi NQ, are you here? Medi NQ. I don't see him in, like, I'm trying to go at Medi and I'm not getting it, so. My duck sucks, I didn't even see my name. Usually, hey, hi Tam, that's usually a good thing. That usually means you're in the back and you have a higher chance of winning. If you're in the front, usually you're not going to win. So that's a good thing. Okay, we'll give Medi about 30 seconds or 1 minute here, and then we're going to do it again. Oh, we're pulling back to the VWAP here. Getting close to the VWAP. So what time is it here? I'm going to wait for the minute to turn around to the next candle. We're going to start. Or the next minute. 107. Yeah, your ducks are in there, bro, for sure. We got 180 people or something running, so. You might not see your name. There's like 180 people, so. Okay, sorry, Maddie. I hope I didn't miss you here. Okay, we're going. Good luck here. We're going to race it again. We're going to shorten this time, though, actually. Now that we've done this 2-minute, we'll clear this. We'll do it to 38 seconds. This is a random number. Good luck. Good luck. Sinister Scalper, More Varied, Elite Legacy, the 44th Punishers, Team Massive, Psy 143 Cool, Wayne, Adam Das, Angie, Abyss Wash, Ryan Entourage, MyFX Trading, Hattie Heat, Drew 69 Malibu, Trader, Musashi, Nix Bonds, DI, Angia, Vance, MathPad, Avatam Saka, Avatam, are you here? I'm not seeing an Ava at Ava. At Ava. Give you about 1 minute here to get this, claim this account. Well, shit, I'm gonna lose for sure out of the gates here. Hot. Yeah, I know, right? Anytime you're in the front, every time you're in the front, it's a no-win situation. You never saw your duck, Brit Martin? Sorry. Well, we're probably gonna get another race here, so sounds like an IT name. 30 seconds here for him. With a name like that, it should be automatic disqualification. Oh, come on. Okay, 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Sorry, Avatam. Good luck, whoever the next winner is here. And we're going to shuffle it real quick here a couple times. And let's go. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Christopher Wilson, Vance, Hattie Matt, Wilson is gold, Tony Gold, Samendra Prasad, Liquid Bevel, NQ Man, Agent Rogue, Ryan Entourage, Elite Legacy, S2 Pyro, Bags O Cash, Sinister Scalper, Kyle Shees, Kyle or Force Fed, oh, Kyle. Are you serious? Kyle, there you go, buddy. Kyle, are you here? I think he's here for sure. It was Kyle or Force Fed there, guys. Kyle, nice. Congrats, bro. Congrats. That's awesome. That's a good win there. So, guys. Congratulations, Kyle. Congratulations. That's awesome. Glad to see you win it, bro. Send a message in the Discord there, and I will send you the account information there to get that. So, yeah, this guy used extra fart force. I closed it already. I can't see the list anymore, guys. Sorry about that. So congrats though, Kyle. Let me see here. Don't leave right away though, guys. Hint, hint. Don't leave right away. But if you do, have a great night. The race is over, but congratulations, Kyle. Kyle, put a message in the Discord there, and I'll send you over the. I'll send you over the. Just say something in the general chat or something there, and I'll send you the message. General chat or giveaway channel, well, whatever. I think I took away permission in the giveaway channel. So, where's Kyle here? Let's search Kyle. Send you a D. Okay, I'll check it. Message requests. K-Shees, there we go. Congrats, buddy. Congrats. Just to confirm, K-Shees, right? K-Shees. I just don't want to make sure it's not a scammer that just like picked you up. Okay, cool. Okay. All right. So I'm going to get that code for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to head over to Lucid, right? Head over to Lucid. You're going to pick Lucid Flex 25K. Select the platform and then pop in there when you get to the discount code, pop in the little code that I'm going to give you. Please take a screenshot of that and send it over. And then you'll be good to go. Just appreciate it if you do that for me. Okay, so affiliate area, coupon management. We'll copy this guy. Copy this, send it over to Kyle. Here you go. There you go, bro. Congratulations. And guess what, guys? We hit 2,000 subscribers today, right? Right? You know? We hit 2,000 subscribers today, so we're gonna have to do something here. Hang out for a minute, guys. Hang out for a minute here. There's a pretty key moment in the stream, if you know what I mean. If you know what I mean. So.
Fake out taught me where it's stung. Every loss I wore too fresh. Show me what I let slide next. Nothing left I need to brag. Nothing left I need to prove. Funny how the screen gets clear when you stop trying to make it move. Here's to every messy open, every flush I had to sit through. Every snap that ripped me open and what it made me do. Some days aren't about the win, they're about not doubling down. Licking wounds, keeping receipts, and coming back when the tape cools down. One more look, there's no rush to be. MNQ's gonna toss his tricks, whether it's baiting or testing me. Enough forcing every candle, enough chasing every move. If peace feels like anything, it's a clean read and a better groove.
All right, guys. All I'm gonna say one thing right now. Pay attention to the chat. That's it. So I just want to say thank you again, everybody, for all the support. You know, it just feels amazing to hit 2,000 subscribers. I actually feel like a little bit emotional right now because it's like, it's such a big milestone for me in my mind. We were stuck at 1770 for an entire week. And I had this like weird impending doom feeling like the algorithms all of a sudden hated me and that it was gonna kill me or something, you know. So we spent a week being stuck at 1770, and I didn't know what to do, so I changed to the thumbnails, I changed the descriptions, I added hashtags to the description of the channel, and everything came back to life. So I just want to say thank you so much, everybody, for supporting the channel, hitting that subscribe button, the likes, all the support. I love you guys for using my discount codes. It just really, thank you, everybody. I appreciate it so much. Love spending nights with you guys. It's been awesome, and I look forward to many, many more. So. Thanks, Soybean. Thank you. Yeah, Chris, you've been here for a long time. Hey, bro. And Yo Jim, and yeah, 5K is the next goal. I hope we'll get there sooner than later, right? Putting in all the hard work.
Every whip took a chunk. Every fake out taught me where it stung. Every loss I wore too fresh. Show me what I let slide next. Nothing left I need to brag. Nothing left I need to prove. Funny how
you're jacked up on caffeine and eating peanut butter straight out of the jar? Oh my god. I hope you guys are paying attention to the chat there. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. Night Build Audio song playing right now, guys. So if you haven't, search Night Build Audio and join his Discord channel. He made this song. It's a killer one. That's why I'm not saying too much, Hyatt. Hi, Tam. I want people to just figure it out on your own. Yeah, Yo Jim's been around since I was just a little butchie. Well, we got to pull back. There's our pullback to the VWAP. Whoever was in that short, wow, congrats, man. So, I'm going to give it 5 more minutes. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you don't know. So it's all good. 5 more minutes. That's it. You were here since 2 subs, me and Ralphie? Nice. Yeah, I think you were, Chris. I think you were here before. Yeah, if you know, you know. Code word 2000.
First light on the second screen. P-now blinking red and green. The room is still, my jaw's tight. We're playing traps from last night. Funny how one clean push through highs can make a busted plan feel wise. Spent too long leaning on sides, trying to bully my way through. Now I'm watching for the head faking, waiting for the real thing to show.
Not seeing anything in Discord chat? Don't be looking in the Discord chat, Wilson. It's not in the Discord chat. That's a hint. Started from the bottom. You know, if I look back at my streams, like when I first started, I remember I was stuck below 30 subscribers for like at least the first month. And then I remember I started doing Sunday streams. And then one night, I got 15 or 30 subscribers in one night. And then the next morning, I woke up and half of them were gone. Like, what the heck? Like, I gained 30 subscribers and half of them were gone overnight. So I think YouTube like figured out it was like some bots or something and like removed them. or it was somebody had bots and they did it for the stream and then they like unsubscribed after.
Some days aren't about the win, they're about not doubling down.
That was often the mornings would.
Wounds keep receipts and coming back when the tape cools down. One more look, this
Scroll up here. Yes, it's hidden in the chat.
MNQ's gonna toss his tricks, whether it's baiting or testing me. Enough fussing
At Rubber? Who's Rubber? I didn't see Rubber. Where's Rubber?
If peace feels like anything, it's a clean read and a better groove.
What is it? NB, FC, DV, F, NF, and hidden in the chat?
Another crack it ain't cute, don't gone dark. I tagged it close, it left a mark. First light on the second screen, P&L blinking red and green. The room is still, my jaw is tight. We're playing traps from last night. Funny how one
I'm gonna give you 30 seconds here, Wilson. And I'm literally gonna count to 30. I'm gonna give you literally 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna delete the forms. So, and that's it. So, last chance here. Literally 30 seconds. 25 seconds left. You got a little chance. That's it. 10 seconds. And that's it. It's gone. It's gone. All right. So I'm going to grab the you know what, and I'm going to get it going here. So congrats to anyone who got in on that. The list is pretty small, so there's a good chance here to get a W. So we got a whole 43 people in there.
Every whip took a chunk. Every fake out taught me where it stung. Every loss I wore too fresh. Show me what I let slide.
Total of 43 people. Hopefully the people who are always here were quick enough to get in there. Congratulations, everybody. And thank you again for the support. I'm just gonna, maybe I should do a duck wheel or a pinwheel. You guys, what do you think? Pinwheel, or do you want pinwheel or pinwheel or a duck race? What do you guys think? Whatever you want, Red. I already did my best. Pin. Ducks hate me. Spin. Pinwheel. Again, I'm seeing lots of pinwheels. Okay, let's just do a pinwheel. Okay, let's do a pinwheel here. We'll change it up. We already did the duck race earlier, so we'll do this one as a pinwheel. All right. 43 people. Huh? What happened there? Remove wheel 2. There you go.
Another crack, it ain't cute, don't gone dark. I tagged the close, it left a mark.
Oh, what the heck happened? Come back here. There we go. Okay, Yo Jim, Chad, Sat, Dr. Sai, DRD Sai, Lee Momentum, DI, Soybeam, Elite Legacy, Facile Crypto, G99K75, Keith Smith, Chris, Adam Daz, Bag of Cash, Chill Out Project, Donna H, Christine, Solitude Trading, Wilson Gold, Vikram, Midi Mad, Paul Memphis, Trina Banana, Sempa Projects, High Tam, Chandler, Iron Pigeon Investing, Sports, Agent Rogue, Ebanner, Tube, Angia, NQ Contract Killer, Britt Martin, Heather, Red, Dark Brown, Metalhead, Wrong Trade Jim, Force Fed, Sinister Scalper, Busy Trades, and Hectron. Good luck, everybody. Good luck here. You guys ready? You guys ready? I gotta click it to spin it. So you sent the screenshot? Thanks, bro. Congratulations on that. Make us proud. Make us proud, Kyle. And hey, I think the world knew that, like, you gave me that super chat the other day and just had to give it to you, right? That just kind of, it's like, thank you for that. I really appreciate that super chat. That was like the largest super chat that I've ever received. So it's kind of interesting how that worked out. So thank you. Shuffle. Is there a shuffle? Can you shuffle it? How do you shuffle it? Karma is real, right? Yeah, it was karma totally, right? Oh, here, shuffle. Yeah, we'll shuffle it around a bit. That was random. Can you set a timer? Is there a timer too? Advanced? Cancel. Sort, add image. What's add image? Too bad karma isn't real. Oh, you know what? I think we got to play a song that I have in the chat that's actually called, somebody else made it. It's called Karma Don't Matter. Okay, good luck here, guys. 25K Lucid Flex Eval 2000 subscriber giveaway as appreciation to all the support to you guys. Last minute giveaway here, a little bit of a secret one where we put it in the chat. So thanks, everybody. Let's do this. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Who is it? Who's gonna be the W here? Oh, Elite Chandler C9U. Look at that. It was right by Angia, right by Elite Legacy, and then Chandler. Yo Jim was next on the list, man. So Chandler, are you in the Discord? Are you in the Discord, Chandler? Just either try to send me a DM or put a comment in the general chat. Yeah, you guys, like, look at Yo Jim, Elite Legacy, Angia. You guys are G99K. You guys are so close right here. So close. Always a bridesmaid. I know, right? Yo Jim, sorry, bro. That was so close.
Forgiveness, I just ride with the beat, mind my business, pray for peace. But revenge got the twist down.
Chandler, so just like I said, just go into the Discord, make a post, or just say something in the general chat. Send me a message. I need a way to send you the account, free account code.
Karma don't miss. Dondo talking.
2010 subscribers, guys. Thank you.
Late night, city lights, I ride in silence. Thinking about the ones who left me in violence. They smile in your face, then cut when you switch.
Is that you in the Discord there, Chandler? Did you just join?
Karma's that bitch. Karma is a bitch. She don't forget. Every little lie, every broken bed, you can hide in.
I just don't want to give it to the wrong person if somebody else decides to join the Discord and like use your name. So say something in the YouTube, make sure I know it's you. Okay, that was you? Are you sure? So CHANDEEEEEE.
Karma is a bitch. She don't forget every little lie.
5 mutual servers.
You can run from the truth, but the pain gon' hit. Karma on the right, yeah, she never quits. Windows tinted, heart cold, no forgiveness. I just ride with the beat, mind my business, pray for peace.
I sent you a message there. Hey, you're welcome, Chandler. You're welcome. Okay, so I'm just going to copy that. So like I said, here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to Lucid, go to Lucid Flex, 25K Flex Eval, select platform. And then when you get to the discount code line, just put in the code that I'm going to give you here. Then after you redeem that, please just take a screenshot of that and send it back to me just so I know that it all worked out good for you. You are welcome. Down to 3 people watching now. LOL. Now's the time to do a giveaway. Down to 121. Life got a balance. Karma's that bitch. Karma is a bitch. She don't forget every little lie, every broken bed. You can hide in the dark, but shit find just
Deep base. Market butcher.
I'll be on for a little bit longer. You hear? Yes.
Bona candles loaded, Mustang trade in the pre-market. Market butcher on the mic. Oil slippery.
That's crazy though. Hey guys, no trade on for today. We're waiting for the VWAP pullback. Never even would have got the entry anyways. What is the 15-minute chart here? I had my entry sitting at 28,616. Might still happen. I had pulled pork, some lettuce with like lemon flavor dressing, and couscous. Miss Kane 11 throwing trophies in the crowd. Ain't the season asking 3-minute chart. Execution sharp, gotta trust your art. Pav and calling levels 81 too high. 585 break it while resistance dies. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt. One micro today can become a house built. Mr. Move fine, don't chase the thrill. Cause revenge trades got a bigger bill. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. East session high while the chat this side. Bona candle print and the bears all hide. Market butcher gang, keep the dream. MNQ got started getting hawkish. Yeah, nice trade, Sinister. Beautiful trade. Base hits only one trade at a time. F and trades asking Asia or NY. How long you trade? Do ETFs buy? Wow, 136 likes today, guys. Thank you so much. 2010 subscribers. Crazy. I didn't even need to take a trade tonight because it just made it crazy. Made the night amazing. So thank you so much, everybody. I appreciate it. Slow compounding while the futures rage. Can't influence yelling ace pump in chat. Good tracks deep, well managed. Imagine that. Lone wolf blue say oil. Dumping fast. Meanwhile, Chris spy at TH tomorrow blast. NQ is dirty, 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 dirty. Thanks, Chris. I'm glad you're here too. I love it. No revenge. Posting schedules every day. Pre-market. Yeah, this is looking to me like an accumulation stage. So take a look for manipulation later, whether it's up or down, and then we're probably going to distribute in the opposite direction. So look for a sweep and then look for the price to like either, you know, sell off for quite a while or turn bullish for a while. So I need a cake for the 2,000 subs. Yeah, that would be nice. I do have some dairy-free ice cream. NQ is dirty, and the whole chat knows. Sometimes it dumps, sometimes moonshot goes. Mr. Move fine, another one shows. Market butcher gang, just stick to the flows. Oil slippery, gold heavy, net gas explosive. If you ain't ready, Mustang trader, market butcher crew. I usually end the stream somewhere around within the before the next hour, but since we hit 2,000 subscribers, I think I might stick around till a little bit after the hourly candle at least. So, because I think in about 20 minutes we have the German Open, right? And then it's an hour after that for London. So it's going to be quite a little bit too long for me to wait that long because I do stream in the mornings, right? So I got to be up for 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which comes pretty early. So you had a slice of pecan pie earlier, and I'll claim that it was for this. Nice. Pecan pie is so good, so good. Coffee hot. Bona candles loaded. Mustang trade in the pre-market. Market butcher on the mic. Oil slippery. Gold heavy. Nat gas explosive. Let's work. NQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. East session high while the chat decide. Bona candle print and the bears all high. Market butcher gang, keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the levels all aligned. FVG flip and the FVG shine. Base hits only one trade at a time. Kai Dunga yelling double top maybe. Next candle ripping market acting crazy. No, it's not. While the breakout fly, then ask the room, ATH again tonight. Yojin blab like ES session high. Then later screams, thank you dirty with the smile. Past the Lucid Val. Whoop whoop loud. Miss Kane 11 throwing trophies in the crowd. Ain't the season asking 3-minute chart. Execution sharp, gotta trust your art. Pavan calling levels 81 too high. 585 break it while resistance dies. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt. One micro today can become a house built. Mr. Move fine, don't chase the thrill. Cause revenge trades got a bigger bill. NQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. East session high while the chat decide. Bona candle print and the bears all hide. Market butcher gang, keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the levels all aligned. FVG flip and the FVG shine. Base hits only one trade at a time. F and trades asking Asia or NY. How long you trade, do ETFs buy? Then NQ sneeze right after mentioning it live. Everybody laughing while the candles fly. Kyle like holiday snooze fest, maybe then like L.Doc stream Joe going crazy. Don't forget your social number. My eyes are on oil today as well. Oil's probably going down. Is it going down or what? Let's take a look at oil real quick here. Oily. Wow, yeah, big gap down and heading lower down to below 80 a barrel. The end of the session, it rocketed up all the way to 86. So
dirty, dirty. I love it. Base, yeah, no revenge. Under posting schedules every day. Pre-market and wide, Globex all the way. Discord loaded, milestones in sight. Use code MBT every single night. Top one Lucid, funded dreams alive. One Evo pass and the whole chat thrive. Chewy asking long or short from what? Answer, structure. FVG, don't guess the setup. Vertical stream got different songs. Handlers asking playlist, where's it from? Kyle asked what AI made that beat. Meanwhile, market rips another 3 feet. MNQ is dirty. And the whole chat knows. Sometimes it dumps, sometimes moonshot goes. Mr. Move fine. Another one shows. Market butcher gang, just stick to the flows. Oil slippery, gold heavy, net gas explosive. If you ain't ready, Mustang trader, market butcher crew. Base hits forever, that's what we do. Trade like adults.
No, I think you got to get 10,000, Keith, before you get like a plaque or anything. So I think it's 10,000 is that mark. So how are we looking here on these candles here? We got, is that going to be the extent of the pullback there? 28,629. Kind of could be, because this could be sort of the breakout level right there, right? So the breakout and the retest. We'll have to see though. Oil drop big time, yeah. Breakout hunter? No? What's no? Here's your virtual plaque. Hey, thank you, Yo Jim. Thank you, buddy.
But you can't keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the levels all aligned. FVG flip and the FVG shine. Base hits only one trade at a time. Kai Donga yelling double top maybe. Next candle ripping, market acting crazy. Now it's not. While the breakout fly, then ask the room, ATH again tonight. Yojin blab like ES session high. Then later screams, thank you, dirty with the smile. Past the Lucid eval.
I was looking at MCL. MCL1 is the ticker I'm looking at for crude. I don't trade it though, but
break it while resistance dies. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt. One micro today can become a house built. Mr. Move fine, don't chase the thrill, cause revenge trades got a bigger bill. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. East session high while the chat decide. Boner candle print and the bears all hide. Market butcher gang, keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the levels all aligned. FVG flip and the FVG shine. Base hits only one trade at a time. F and trades asking Asia or NY. How long you trade, do ETFs buy? Then MNQ sneeze right after mentioning it live. Everybody laughing while the candles fly. Kyle like holiday snooze fest, maybe then like L. Bar stream joke going crazy. Don't forget your social number joke. Mother's maiden name, whole chat broke. Gary say Asia, hard to trust. One micro feels too much, real trader stuff. Coca-Cola like Warren Buffett plays. Slow compounding while the futures rage.
Hey, Blacko News, you can't trade. This is ridiculous. Don't trade it then, bro. Don't trade it. Yeah, we're gonna get to 10,000, Keith. We will. Thank you, Yo Jim. Appreciate it. Next level, 2,000 chickens. I like it. Thank you for this super chat, Jim. Yo Jim. Appreciate it.
Discord loaded, milestones in sight. Use code MBT every single night. Top one Lucid, funded dreams alive. One Evo pass and the whole chat thrive. Chewy asking long or short from what? Answer, structure. FVG, don't guess the setup. Vertical stream got different songs. Handlers asking playlist, where's it from? Kyle asked what AI made that beat. Meanwhile, market rips another 3 feet. NQ is dirty, and the whole chat knows. Sometimes it dumps, sometimes moonshot goes. Mr. Move fine, another one shows. Market butcher gang, just stick to the flows.
NQ's dirty, guys.
Gold heavy.
Listen to the song. It's for reals.
If you ain't ready. Mustang trader.
I'm actually feeling a little bit in shock right now, guys. Like, I can't believe that, you know, in less than a year, I've gained 2,000 subscribers, and you know, I appreciate, like, it's all thanks to you guys, because if it wasn't for you guys, you know, like that, I needed you guys to like hit the like and subscribe, and if all of you didn't do it all like in the order that you did, then the algorithm would have never shared us to other people, and I would be sitting there with nobody, you know. So thank you. Honestly, feeling shocked right now. Kid, let's talk amounts. One base hit beats, 10 revenge trades. Most accounts die from ego mistakes. Bone candle straight into resistance. Chat screaming along with full conviction. 5 minutes later, everybody disappeared. Now they post a motivational quotes out of fear. Gold heavy, oil slippery, nat gas explosive. Charts don't care about your feelings. ST, VWAP talking, why you talking back? STF, Mustang got the levels on the map. STF, but you got the entries, that's a fact. STF, everybody gangster till they draw down crack. I don't need 20 indicators on screen, just value areas in a plan that's clean. While they buying every breakout move, I'm waiting where the institutions choose. Value area high, value area low. Market tells a story. I had to post, guys. I posted in Discord. I posted in the YouTube community post. Now I just posted in Instagram, and next is X. I should probably post it in
No revenge, no oversizing, no nonsense, just levels. VWAP execution. Mustang, calling levels before they hit, but you're executing every piece of it. Chat saying, how'd you know that zone? Because you've seen this movie before, bro. Lucid, Evo, top one account. Slow consistency is what it's about.
If you would answer my DM on Discord, you might just monetize that 2,000 subs. What's that? Let me see. Breakout Hunter. Oh, Hunters. Hunter.odx?
Mustang trader, no crystal balls, no magic indicators, just charts, patience, and discipline. See you at Globex. Yeah. Mustang trader, market butcher. Another Sunday. Another Globex.
You just messaged me?
Looking for the secret. STFU. The chart already told you. STFU. VWAP talking, why you talking back? STFU. Mustang got the levels on the map. STFU. But you got the entries, that's a fact. STFU. Everybody gangster till they drop down crack. Half these traders want a Lambo by noon. 3 red candles got them crying in the room. I'm just waiting on a clean FVG MNQ dirty, but she still pay me. They ask me how I trade 9 accounts. Slow down, kid, let's talk amounts. One base hit beats, 10 revenge trades. Most accounts die from ego mistakes. Bone candle straight into resistance. Chat screaming along with full conviction. 5 minutes later, everybody disappeared. Now they post a motivational quotes out of fear. Gold heavy, oil slippery, nat gas explosive. Charts don't care about your feelings.
What's the calculator? Okay, so what this is this is called a command pad. It's with Traders Post. So let me just double check here. I gotta go dashboard here.
Market tells a story if you already know. Most traders listen after it's too late, then blame manipulation instead of their fate. Austin Silver taught patience pays. Evan Dyer showed discipline stays. Every level got a reason to exist. Most traders never even notice this. No FOMO, no revenge, no oversizing, no nonsense, just levels. VWAP execution.
Wait one sec here. Let me see. Sorry, I gotta do something real quick here with the brokers. It's showing that my top 1 futures are not.
Nobody wants to learn the patient way. Globex open, volume thin, still enough for disciplined traders to win. One good setup, all that we need. Not 50 trades fueled by greed. Price already showing where it wants to go. Value area high and value area low.
Getting a little bit of a pullback here again. Think the sweep is coming?
What do we traders blow? Gold heavy and oil slippery. MNQ dirty, but she good to me. Funded account, living comfortably. Trade like adults and let the profits breathe. Market butcher, Mustang trader. No crystal balls, no magic indicators. Just charts, patience, and discipline.
Okay, look at that. We're getting the VWAP touch here. So this might be the trade that we're looking for. Okay, so let's see here. Let's go dashboard. So this is Traders Post, guys. This is a copy trading account the platform that I use. And this is a command pad. So the calculator thing on the right hand side here is basically you can connect your copy trading to it, or you can trade a single account at a time. You can build strategies with it. I got a bunch of buttons here. So it's a buy, bid, sell, ask, break even. So I got a whole bunch of break even buttons. So as price starts getting into money, I can hit the break even button and it'll put a stop in the money. You can reverse your trade, then you got to cancel orders, this and that. So basically that's what it is. It's a copy trading platform. It's done by sending a JSON message. So it's a very accurate, very fast copy trading platform. I've never had slippage on it. It works really fast, really smooth. If you look here, I don't know if you might be able to not be able to see it though. Hey, I guess because we got let me just change this a little bit here. So you can see it a little bit better there. So you can see all the buttons on it. We got buy, bid, sell, ask, bunch of break even buttons. And then up on this little, on the dashboard thingy there, let me just take off this widget real quick. You can see it a little bit better there. So you can, up here, you can, whatever platform you're on. So like if I'm on MNQ, it automatically plugs in MNQ here. And then you select your contract size. If you wanted to do a market order, a limit order, stop market, stop limit, trailing stop, you can adjust that with this little button here. You can set a take profit and a stop loss ahead of time. So for example, if I were to go like this, I go copy price and I'll go limit, and then we paste this in here like this, paste. You can have a 65-point take profit and a 50-point stop loss. Once you paste that in there, you have it set to a limit order. Hit buy. It's going to place it on the chart like that. So automatically puts your stop loss, take profit. And then at the same time, and I always keep my Tradeify open. So here's the same account on the Tradeify. So the Lucid Funded Flex account. It'll put those orders on there right here. So we can just hit cancel open orders here and it'll take it all off. So it's basically my copy trading platform and it's awesome. And it looks like I missed a VWAP entry there, unfortunately. Friggin' beautiful bounce there. 20 points anyways. Let's see. We might get another attempt here. So Yeah, it is pretty fancy. It's the amazing thing is you can get your stop in there in the click of a button, right? It didn't touch it? I mean, it pretty much touched it. I would say that's a touch. It's close enough, you know? Not sure we will trade to full TP. I have the rest at break even. Oh, there you go. Nice. You're in the long right now? One volatile alternative? What level did you buy that in?
Another Globex. Another 1,000 traders looking for the secret. STFU. The chart already told you. VWAP talking. Why you talking?
You missed your entry by 2 points? Oh, you had it just below the VWAP or something, hey?
You got the entries, that's a fact. Everybody gangster till they drop down crack. Half these traders want a Lambo by noon. 3 red candles got them crying in the room.
Okay, I'm just gonna make a quick post here on X about the 2,000 subscribers. Oh shoot. And then I gotta do one more quick post on TikTok.
Explosive charts don't care about your feelings. VWAP talking, why you talking back? Mustang got the levels on the map. But you got the entries, that's a fact. Everybody gangster till they drop down crack. I don't need 20 indicators on screen, just value areas in a plan that's clean. While they buying every breakout move, I'm waiting where the institutions choose. Value area high, value area low. Market tells a story if you already know.
Short from 665. As long as we stay under 651, model still in play. Gotcha. That's a nice entry though. I like your entry. Kind of like at the breakdown of this. I don't know where you got in, but that is a nice level to be entered in, like right in this area. Good entry. You took half off at 619. Nice. Let's see how this 15-minute closes. For sure, man. For sure. Can you not post a still image on TikTok? Or does it have to be a video? Upload. Why won't it let me post an image? If you add music to the picture? Do you have to add music ahead of time? Because if I've posted pictures before from my phone, and then I used AI to make it like live, but for some reason it's not accepting it. Oh, under posts? No. Anyways, I'm not gonna deal with that right now. Pretty much happy with the post that I got there. So gotta add music. Oh man, this mini range is so tremendous. I know. Tedious. Tremendous.
butcher. Mustang trader. Trade like an adult. Yeah.
Yeah, you know, the guy that I trade with, Nick, in the morning sessions, he trades 63 accounts right now with Traders Post. So no issue with that. You didn't get tapped in? Oh, damn, busy.
One fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback. Stick to the plan. VWAP line, yeah, price respect. Tap that level, then we collect. FVG gap, get full real quick.
No issues at all, no. Because it's JSON messages, right? So it like sends a message to all of them at the same time. Whereas a lot of those, like, I think Replicanto also is like a leader follower type copy trader, right?
Yeah, that's the song. Green on the stream, but we stay calm because one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you.
No, I didn't get the entry either, unfortunately.
For a one-day flex, we here long term. Respect the steps. Trade like an adult, don't move.
Yeah, so then you might get a little bit of lag or some like slippage on some of the accounts, right? Whereas Traders Post, it's a little bit more challenging to set it up because it's a little bit more technical of a platform. But once you get it all set it up and you've done it a few times, it's pretty easy to understand. They have awesome support also. So if you do have any issues setting it up, they can definitely help you really fast. And once you kind of understand it, it gets pretty straightforward after that. You can really customize it. So if you have like 25K accounts and 50 and 100K accounts or whatever, you can set all different contract sizes, different max daily loss limits, all kinds of different features on it, which are pretty awesome. So it's doing their own thing once in a while. Oh wow. Yeah, okay, then it's no problem for you. If you need a discount code to Mustang is a code that you can use if you wanted to try them out. You can get a discount with that. That's Nick J, or Mustang Trader, is who I trade with Monday to Friday at Market Open. So you can use Mustang or Nick J. Either of those work as a discount code. You don't trust this breakout? Yeah, it's kind of hard to trust it at this moment also, I agree. Yeah, I like the car horse, yes. Mustang Trader.
Yeah, that's the song. Green on the stream, but we stay calm because one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news. We ain't here for a one-day flex. We here long term. Respect the steps. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hit stack, get a roll, stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill them, we press it. NQR, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that highs, that lows. No stress.
Well, we got the new hourly candle. We did pop up on the previous candle, like pretty volatile one, but we did pop up there. I wish I was paying a little more attention to the time. I'm just kind of a little bit in shock. We hit 2,000 subscribers, guys. Can't believe it. It's amazing. So appreciate the support from everybody. But you know what? I think I'm just going to wrap it up here, guys. Good call on not trusting this breakout. I do have to be up for Market Open tomorrow morning, so I'm thinking about just logging off here and getting some good sleep so I can be ready for tomorrow morning's action. I'm not very good at the guitar, to be honest. I practiced a few years ago, but my fingers are soft. I can't find my capo, and yeah, so you wouldn't enjoy it anyways. So you wouldn't enjoy it anyways, though. So.
quick, then it runs, and we ride that shift. Mustang rolling, butcher on charts, cutting up trays like meat, no fart. Small size gang, we play it smart. One clean entry, that's where we start. Go too heavy, it drags and bends. Oil too slippery, slips through hands. Nat gas mad, yeah, that one pops. Blink one time, it will take it.
Ralph's camera almost died there. Okay, thanks though, Breakout. I'll check it out for sure. Yeah, guys, so thank you everybody. Let me do my usual shout out here to the people who are the top chats in the video or in the stream. So appreciate you guys tuning in. Thanks for being here for such an epic moment in the stream. Thanks Jonathan Stonks for all the super chats. I think you gave me like 3 super chats tonight. You rock. Thank you so much. Jonathan Stonks, Chris, Angia, Yo Jim, thank you also for that super chat. Really appreciate the support of the channel and the ongoing support from all you guys. Angia, Chris, Yo Jim, you guys are here every day giving the real support, so I appreciate that. Hectron, Hayatam, Wilson is Gold, NQ Contract Killer, Soybean, OC Dog Trainer, Keith Smith, Force Fed, Ryan Entourage, Trading Game, Raphael Cini, FN Trades, Kyle Shees. Oh, Ralph disappeared there, guys. Battery died. Raphael Cini, FN Trades, Kyle Shees, Zero Skills, Adam Daz, Trina de Banana, Sat, Breakout Hunter, Busy Trades, Metalhead, EC Drive, As I Fly, Reds Everyday Dog Trading, Gabe, Richard Dowdy, Wrong Trade Jim, Zexy, Luis Enrique Bocanegra, Chandler, congrats on the account, Prop Stop Gourmet Popcorn, Alex Rodriguez, right? Alex Rodriguez, yeah, Masashi, Lady C, aka Lyric, Poor Guy, the Romanek, sorry, Facile Crypto, Elite Legacy, James Hill, Mick Riker, One Volatile Alternative, GMAC Trades, X Trader, Miss K, Iron Pigeon Investing, Apple 1991, and Christine LD6CB. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate you guys, all the support, loving the fact that we hit 2,000 subscribers. Such an amazing stream. W on the stream, even though I didn't even end up taking a trade tonight, which is pretty crazy. Waited for the VWAP pullback. I actually had my entry at 6. My original entry would have been 616, so we wouldn't have been tagged in on that one. So yeah, thanks everybody. I appreciate you guys. So we'll see you tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you guys are here early, make sure you head in there with Nick pre-market. He'll be live 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Search Mustang Trader if you're looking to hang out with him. He does some great analysis, pre-market trading, scaling, risk management, all that good stuff. So thanks, everybody. Love you guys, and we'll see you on the next one.
This one's for the Butcher Gang.
If God is for you, who can be against you? Thanks, Wilson. Yeah, Chris, let's keep growing. This is the best place on YouTube. Hey, thank you for that. That's amazing. Appreciate that, Chris. Thanks, Hi Tam. Thank you, Masashi. Thanks, thank you. See you, Chandler.
No revenge trade, no emotion. emotional crime. Just base hits stacking one trade at a time. If you blue the evil, reload and grind. Cause the butcher gang different from the rest online. Top chat legends in the building tonight. Market butcher crew got the whole stream hype. Lucid giveaways and the candles all bright. Sunday night traders trying to change their life. Brody active 34.
Meow.
In attack mode. And Brown 81.6 takes carrying heavy loads. XKS move while the market explodes. Randall Paul trader.
Thanks, everybody. You have a great night. Love you guys. Peace out. Bye-bye.